Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. You're here with the Crypto Lifer, and it's a crazy, crazy day in crisis. Everyone's worried, a lot of pain, a lot of things going down. Let's take a look at what's going on in the markets today, and let's take a look at Bitcoin, obviously taking a beat down, taking the market down with it, but, you know, still holding $2 trillion in market cap. We're still way higher than we were. Let's take a look at the grand picture of things. Let's kind of slow down and take a zoom out and see what's going down. SafeMeme coming out right now. Some people are looking at, just kind of put on your radar. SafeMeme, a unique rug pull proof utility token exchange platform. Okay, the future of BSC, BEP20 investing all in one token. Countdown to pre-sale, 3 hours, 9 minutes, and 2 seconds. SafeMeme's platform and utility, wallet app and exchange. Launchpad, community token. SafeMeme explains. SafeMeme was created to solve the significant issue that BSC investment market is facing right now. There are way too many rug pull scams that are taking advantage of new investors. SafeMeme's platform is here to solve this problem. We're building a platform where new projects will have to be audited before they will be listed. By doing that, new investors can come onto the platform to see which new tasks have passed our safety protocol. That includes contract auditing, pre-sales, and launch audition, avoiding whales, bots, whitelisting, etc. Yeah, like the refinery. A lot of bots came in on refinery and just kind of, you know, what a great project. And that's not cool. Like, have a good project, but then have the listing just kind of completely demolish the taste in everybody's mouth. Not a good idea, right? Why are they rug proof? The rug pull is usually performed by the developers. Okay. I don't think you get it. You can lock smart contracts and prove where the money is. Yeah. So, all right. Okay. Back to that. That includes contract auditing, pre-sales, and launch addition, avoiding whales, bots. Yeah. Why SafeMeme? SafeMeme is a deflationary token that operates on the Binance Smart Chain, meaning there are virtually no gas fees and almost instantaneous swaps. That at one point. This is a token that they wrote that last week. This is a token that rewards holders and punishes sellers, which can encourage a steadier price action. SafeMeme is a community project, meaning that the community will be involved in developing the project. SafeMeme community token, reward staking, launch program, roadmap. Team. CEO and founder of SafeMeme, Jan, is a young entrepreneur with a long history of creating successful businesses. Elon owns investment real estate, vacation homes, and a beauty brand, a variety of privately labeled brands, and a crypto investor for almost 8 years. He created SafeMeme because he got tired of seeing new investors being scammed with the recent trend of rug pulls that's been going on. Okay. SafeMeme coming out in 3 hours just to put it on your radar. Join us on Telegram, see what's going on. Let's look at the pre-sale guide. Round 1, May 13th at 1 p.m. Round 2, May 14th at 1 p.m. and the public launch on May 15th. Partnered with Unicrypt. The pre-sale link and contract will be posted on Telegram, Discord, and the website 1 to 3 hours before the pre-sale begins. All right. WBNB. Please swap your BNB to WBNB. How do you do that? Well, not too hard. You go to PancakeSwap. But is PancakeSwap working? That's the question. Is PancakeSwap even working today? It's got me down a little bit. I'm a little down today, honestly, guys, because Bitcoin's down, right? Accounts are down. And it's not even that. It's Pancake wasn't working yesterday, and that just kind of bothers me. And then Pancake went down a little bit. Saw a lot of holdings. You know, I lost over 100 grand in my portfolio. I'll tell you the truth to your faces. Over 100 grand overnight. But hey, I'm still here ready to rock every single day, right? SafeMoon's still way up from where it was the day before. We're still pushing forward. Things are looking good. So you got to look at the bright side. We're going to take a look at where we were not too long from now and where we are now. And kind of make a nice comparison to kind of like, you know, realize where we're at. So we don't kind of get too down on ourselves. Realize how far we've come in the last month and how far we're going to go, right? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. See, that song is weird because it almost sounds like two songs to me. I don't like drums that overlap each other too much like that. To me, I'm not a fan. Like let it play out. Let it breathe. Let it breathe. You know. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, man. Shout out to everybody here. Nobody here, huh? Nobody wants to come in on a red day. Everyone wants to sit. No one wants to get in. My man bought that BTC dip. I bought some Bitcoin too as well. We leave a mark regardless of a bounce back. Humbling blows. That will leave a mark regardless of a bounce back. Humbling blows. Yeah, you got to take some humbling blows, man. Bought that BC tip. My mans. Like if I look up the trend and rug pulls and the guilty prime suspects, it's typically the ones who launch the project that perform the rug pulls. So why make something that targets rug pulls? Pancake Swap isn't letting me sell at the moment. See? Well, yeah, but statistically, who performs the rug pulls, right? Top of the morning to the lifers. Shout out to James Burns. All my people's up in here. Shout out to everyone watching on the live stream. 66 people. Can we get all the way up to 100 likes? 200 people watching all the time. Let's get it moving, man. Lifers here. 7,190 subscribers. We went 200 subscribers in a day yesterday. Unbelievable. On our way to 8K faster than fast. We're going to rip through 8K, 10K, and continue to the upside. So don't worry about these times. Don't let these times get in your head. We can still make great gains and use these times to stack. Like, this is a perfect time to get yourself into some Polkadot. If you don't have enough Polkadot, great time to get some Polkadot. You don't have some cake, great time to get some cake. You don't have, some Nano, good time. Actually, not a good time to get Nano. Nano pumped. But you know what I'm saying. Good time to get coins that are up hot. Look, I talked about CHR, making a move. Went over it numerous times. Here was the call right here. Right. I think I did this on the 1 hour. Yes. Let's take a look. Shoulder, head, shoulder. It's going to break out of this inverted head and shoulder. Up 33% today, and only a matter of time till it continues to break to the upside. So CHR, keep this on your radar. Don't lose focus of what's going on, guys, just because of a little bump in the road, right? Till it continues to break to the upside. So CHR, radar. Don't lose focus of what's going on, guys, just because of a little. That could be louder, right? I mean, let's see. Continues to break to the upside. So CHR. Don't lose focus of what's going on, guys, just because of a little. That could be louder, right? I mean, when we get all the way up to 100 likes, 200 people watching all the time. Let's get it moving, man. Lifers here, 7,190. I think it's too much gain. I was trying to keep the mic away from me, but I guess it's just too much gain. Got to keep the mic right here. And got this cool swing mic. Really sick. Put it anywhere you want. It's really nice. I really like it. Kind of makes me feel super pro. Changes the whole feel of the stream, honestly. Really like the mic. Yeah, I got a cloud lifter too, which gives me way more gain. So I could boost this gain like this. You could really hear me. That's why I bought the cloud lifter, because I felt like the gain wasn't there. Felt like the gain just was not there, and I'm all about my audio, man. That's why I bought the cloud. Oh, now we got streaming problems too? Are you kidding me? Wow. Oh, now we got streaming problems too? Are you kidding me? Wow. I don't know. I feel like it could be louder. It's weird. I don't know. I feel like it could be louder. It's weird. That's a big mic you got there. Check. 1 2 1 2. Working on these. I can't hear the levels on my end as well. I don't know. I feel like it could be louder. It's weird. Something's going on with the stream too. That's loud enough for me. I like that. Okay. What do you guys think of that level? Is it too loud? Too much in your face? I don't want to peak, but I want to be strong. I want to have a nice strong. Looks fine. Can hear you loud and clear. Good sound on my end. Sounds good on my end. But I'm 10% deaf. This guy's a smart aleck over here, huh? Let's take a look at what happened with. If you jumped into Shiba, maybe not the best thing to do. Let's take a look at what's going on in the rest of the world, the rest of these markets. My CATE IO. Let's take a look at CATE. CateCoin. We were in CateCoin pretty hard. Let's run up that POOCOIN, that Bog Finance. See what's going on. My Bog Finance was 64,000 yesterday. Now it's down to 54,000. We lost 10K inside the MetaMask wallet. Let's see what's going on. Saturna still holding it pretty good. SafeMoon still holding it pretty good. Came down to that all-time high, but now holding previous highs. So it did bust up high, came back down, lost about 30% of its gains, but holding well above where it was when it started to make a bit of a move. Elongate holding all right. T-Cake, all these coins still holding not too bad from now. Moonshot still up, 846. 100X coin still up. We got in at $200. I got $700 and 200X coins. So that one, a lot of these little coins, man, hold them for 2-3 months. If you can have the ball sackies to hold them that long, I'm telling you, man, they will pay you. They will pay you. They've been paying me, so I keep doing it. No reason not to, right? And keep your stakes going, keep things going, keep your passive income running. Don't lose sight of what's going on, right? Don't lose sight of what's going on. Let's take a look at what else is happening here. Shout out to Crypto Greg. Hey, Lifer, speaking of being positive, AAVE is keeping its head up. What are your targets on this? Thanks for all you do. It's crazy. I was looking at AAVE this morning, and I was like, what? AAVE, just beast mode, right? Yeah, I'm going to have to change the song. Sorry, I can't. That was too much, man. That was way too much right there. Let's go to some EDM, holiday dubstep, ambient, synthwave, hip-hop. We can do some hip-hop, change up the day, right? Change up the day. You know, the hip-hop they play is kind of weird. Not the best hip-hop on that channel, honestly. You know what? We could kind of even just... I was going to go to commercial music today and just take the hit on not getting money on the monetization and just take a hit. Just go to commercial music and have some fun. I'll be listening to like Talib Kweli, stuff like that. Same with Cardano holding its levels. Cardano pumping hard, baby. Pumping hard. So we'll get into hip-hop for the day. We'll change it up. We only do hip-hop every once in a while. I'm personally like to stream synth, stuff like that. But, yeah. Then we're going to look at Cardano. We're also going to take a look at Cardano. We're going to take a look at AAVE. We're going to show you the beasts of the day. Certain coins are just, and that's how you know you're in a full-blown bull run. When, okay. Telling me I don't have an account. Incorrect passwords. Incorrect passwords. Stream beats hip hop. Let's get the music going. Without the music, can't live life. All right. It's a lot of that like trappy rap, but it's cool, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 98 people watching, even on a bloody day. 50 likes. Can we get the likes all the way up to 100 likes, please? Can we get it moving? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Shout out to Crypto Greg with the $20 super chat. Much respect. Let's keep the day moving, man. Ada holding strong. Yes, Talib. Yes, sir. Hip hop. J Dilla Beats. Same with Cardano holding those levels. What do you need for that? What do you need for bogged finance version? You don't need anything. You don't need anything. That's what's beauty about it. You don't have to own any bog, nothing. It just does what it's supposed to do for you. Keeps track of everything you're in. Keeps track of all your stuff. Beautiful. Bog finance. You gotta love it. Bog finance still holding at 18. With the call yesterday at about 15, went all the way to 21. Still holding pretty well. I go between Boggs Finance and Dex Guru. Boggs Finance to look at the wallet, Dex Guru to see what's going on. I wish both of them had both of what each other's has, but we have to go back and forth between the two to keep it moving, okay? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time, despite the pain, despite the action, despite all the craziness. Remember, I got light. I like light because I like the chart, and I still like the chart. It's really kind of in a nice, beautiful flat zone, and it's forming a beautiful bull pennant. Look for light to break out from this point here at the lows. Actually starting to kind of run out of room there. Light. This is lightning. Pretty hot project. We could talk about it in a second, but let's get into Cardano and AAVE for the day. Just want to put CHR on your radar. Inverted head and shoulders. It's got that falling wedge. Start to break out. Just saw if you hold bogged, you can place limit orders for $2, but only on V1. There you go. Bro, Cold Finance is also coin market cap 2,500 holder, 1 point, just 48 hours. Cold Finance. Send a link into my Telegram and then tell me you sent the link to the Telegram. Make it real easy for me to go and find it out. Don't make me judging. Don't make me write into the sites. If you guys, CryptoLifer_, hit me up personally. Send in a message. Say, hey, I want you to check out this link. I'll check it out. I'll go to that place right there and I will go over the coin. Wow, that's devastating. I thought I was doing bad for 2 Gs. I don't know what he's saying. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Much respect. Thank you for coming on into the live. Not feeling any of this music today, man. You know what, man? I'm just going to play something that's commercial, but that I really like. I don't care. I'm going to take the hit. I'm going to take the hit today. I'm going to play some good music. I don't care. I really like this next song coming up. It puts me in a good mood. I want to play what puts me in a good mood. So there you go. That's what we're going to be doing. We're going to take the hit. I'm not going to be able to monetize this video, but I don't care. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Strive to be your best. Strive to be the greatest you can every single day of the week. Dilla Beats, Sam. Dilla Beats, bro. Thoughts on Veracity? Isn't it called Veracity? I've never heard of Veracity, but maybe you're talking about a different coin. Let me pull out that chat, which I thought I just did. MF Doom, man, he's my dude, bro. I can't believe we lost MF Doom this year, bro. Not too long from now, man. Moment of silence for MF Doom. Moment of silence for MF Doom. Lo-Fi's 80 music, right? Now, watch this beat hit, though. This beat hits hard. I like this beat. Veracity, baby. Veracity. I like Veracity a lot. I think it's going to be a big, big coin. It's going to hold us down. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in on these tough days. It's not easy when we're getting pounded by Bitcoin whales. Trying to take your ends from you. Trying to scare you. Trying to push you out. But we know the truth, guys. We will stay strong regardless. We will stay strong regardless. I'm out here just like all you guys. Just woke up. R.I.P. MF Doom, man. Yeah, man. R.I.P. to MF Doom. Moment of silence for MF Doom. You're a fantastic moderator. Can you turn up the music just a tad? I thought it's up. Yeah. There you go. Okay. I was setting up a new Elgato light. I got an awesome Elgato Key Light right now. Works on my iPhone. Pretty cool. Let's actually take a look. Is this light helping? We'll take a look. I can actually kind of move it up and down with a Wi-Fi. Yeah, look. Look how much that light helps. Bam. Bam. Really like that key light. It's a good key light. Well-balanced, soft light. It's a panel, but you don't really have to put something on it. Time to buy Shiba on the dip, guys. I don't know, man. I'll stay away from Shiba. I got some worries. Something about Shiba got me a little... Let's take a look at that bad boy AAVE, man. See where it's going. Crypto Greg always hit me up. No matter what, man. Always hit me up with that love, man. Shout out to Crypto Greg, man. Thank you so much for the super chat in these times. It means that much more to me. It means that much more to me. Unbelievable, man. What's up, High Truth? What's up at Dilla Doom on Discord? My dude, I feel you, Dilla Doom. Oh, yeah, that's why you Dilla Doom. I feel it now. I seen you Dilla Doom. Funny, I should have put 2 and 2 together. I seen you Dilla Doom on the Telegram, and I'm like, what is Dilla Doom, man? It's J Dilla and MF Doom, man. What do you think? It's Dilla Doom, baby. Everyone knows I also have a hip-hop album. Check me out at Sam Price Life Elixir. Okay? A lot of you guys don't know that I actually make music. Funny. Made a track. Nah. Wait, so we can send super chat? I thought you can't monetize today. No, we can. You can send a super chat. I just won't make the back end click per click on the advertisement ways, because someone else's music is on here. They're gonna be able to monetize that music, you know, on my back end. So you can super chat all you want. I just purchased 1K ADA and 1K XRP. Gonna keep it in a safe wallet for 5 years. I wonder what the outcome might be. I love that idea, bro. Just to let it sit. I'm down to super chat. None here. Smash the likes, y'all. By the day, people, don't panic, sell. Don't panic, sell. My Doom best MF Soon collection. Yeah. You got bars, fam. Love to work with you someday. Thank you so much, man. Firo coming and Cream Hip Hop, dude, made it seem to be going nuts. Thanks for the clarification. Yeah, much respect to everyone here on the live, man. Much respect to everyone here on the live. So check it out. Check it out. So if you check me out, this is a crazy track, because when things happen, I was worried what was going down, man. With
By so fast, I don't even remember. We marching into March, now the sickness ensues. First it wasn't even in the news. People dying in China, abused,
suffocating in noose.
The truth is right here, though the angles obtuse. Some
People can't see it if it's right in their face.
I told them 100 times, they still running
in place.
They won't tell you if the kids died. Bodies burning and they did fry. Crematoriums were running 24/7. It's the same in Italy, they gonna pause the election. No matter the country, the stats all the same. You asymptomatic at your basketball game. I was sounding alarms.
You could check the gram, I never wanted you harmed. Get deep messages that came from the heart. Before it did start, there was jokes on my back. My mental intact.
I follow my own soul till I fade out to black. It was Braveheart 2020, I was wearing a mask. I tried to tell you it was coming. Most people just called me a dumb man.
I told people this was coming. I told people this was happening. It's crazy.
I tried to tell you it was coming. Most people just called me a dumb man. That's right.
And I use this to invest.
All out of jokes. They gonna be the ones who are running. Quarantine rapping, though I'm making these tracks. I had to get this shit off my back just to show you the math. Restricted data.
It was day after day.
I saw the future.
What more can I say?
Now they call me a prophet.
The Wuhan Soothsayer.
I wish it wasn't right, but it was all in my dreams.
I felt like Nostradamus in Queens.
It was crazy. My thoughts hung up on me. Friends looked at me strange, and people would duck on me. I don't give a fuck, you see, I knew the truth in my heart. Cause these the same people that will run to Walmart. Cause they scared in their homes, and yes, they scared in their bones. Me, I'm still flying my drone. It's hard to get the intel. I'm fine because I've been well. Can't say it's not a crazy error. Can't you see we're in a maze for cheddar? It never ends until you're dead in your grave. The TV is programmed to change the way you behave. That's why it's called the program.
That's why it's called the program.
Second wave, because it's coming. Because it's coming. Be careful. Peace.
Just had to put that out there for you guys. Just want to put that out there for you guys. Let you know, man. Sam Price, the rapper, Wuhan Soothsayer. Check out that video, man. At Sam Price, the rapper. Check it out, man. Anyway, yeah. And that has something to do with investing because I saw that we were going to have a pandemic before everybody else. So I knew that the market was going to struggle before everybody else. And that's why I knew to invest and to short. I started shorting the S&P before everybody else. So, you know, they solved dying from old age, influenza, and the common cold. Suicide, car accident, or hanging is all COVID on the death certificate. I know, right? Higher frequency, yeah. Much respect to everyone here. I used to play that and lose watchers during the live stream. People would actually sign off. So when I played that, I got a little nervous that you guys would dump on me. But you know what? Let's get those likes all the way up to 100 likes. Let's keep it moving, man. You guys are starting to realize who I am, and it's okay for me to be me. At the beginning, when I was me on the live stream, people would be like, you know. I appreciate you guys sitting through that and taking that art with me. Yeah, I saw Wuhan before everybody else, honestly. You go to if you go here to my profile, I had this feeling that it was coming. Let me slide on the remix, Marcus Fields. Hey, man, I feel you, bro. I like it. I know we got some rappers out here, but if you look back in January, I'm sounding the alarm way back when this first came out. I'm sitting there and I'm like, guys, things aren't going well, right? So where was I here? Trying to see. Oh, yeah, way before the summer. I'm sitting here in January and I'm like, guys, there's something going on here with the Wuhan virus, right? Look, I got the gas mask on. I was telling people way, way before. So this is me. Where am I here? I was trying to put the word out early bird style. I went to Las Vegas, came home from Vegas, and then things just got crazy. Had my John McAfee interview. I interviewed John McAfee live, you know, have an interview with John McAfee. Check it out. Me and John McAfee live together. His last interview before he got yoked up was with me. His last interview with me before really, his last substantial interview was with me before he got yoked up.
Hi, you're here with the remote chief, and I feel like I'm a journalist of sorts all the time. I'm digging deep to find the information that a lot of people don't know about, can't find, can't figure out. I'm here to show you guys what's really going on in Wuhan. I have found a video that's been sent to me. It's a collection of different videos shot on iPhones. The news won't tell you a lot of this stuff. They even won't show you the footage. Go to the next video here and see what's really happening in Wuhan. It's crazy, guys.
And I'm showing doctors screaming on the phone about how they don't have what they need. People are dying left and right. They're locking people down in their homes. People are falling on the streets. I'm telling you, it was crazy. I'm telling people this in January. Well, in January 20th, no one was talking about it. Our news was acting like it was all good. I was trying to put the word out, man. And then I continued to do it every other day that I could. I just kept talking about Wuhan. I kept talking about how it's asymptomatic. I kept saying how you had to be careful. No one was listening to me.
I have some really strange updates on the pandemic. Things that really scare me. And this is new news that could be...
February 3rd, I don't know. I kept trying to tell people what was going on more and more and more and more. Let's take a look at what happened with Elon Musk. What do I think he's doing? What do I think is going on? Man, I remember that. I now think I might have been CCP propaganda. Anything could have been. Cape for life, baby. Uncle McAfee, you guys are related, right? There's some similarities. Awesome stuff. How did you know me and Mac are related? How'd you know that? We don't tell people that stuff. He is related to my grandfather. We are third cousins. Do you know about Luger Center in Georgia where coronavirus in bats was experimented with? Interesting. See? Bob Doe giving us that side information. Anyway, we'll get off that crazy topic. AAVE doing its thing. Thank you guys for letting me get a little crazy here today. But AAVE doing its thing. Okay? Let's get back into the music. We're going to stream some lo-fi. Just keep it real laid back for the rest of the day. But yeah, a lot of traders are just traders, man. You're going to find out so much more about the crypto lifer. Find out that I'm not just one page. I'm a very dynamic person with so much going on. And yeah. I feel like today's a funky day, man. It really is, right? Elon, he was like the champion for us all, and then he throws us down. He throws us under the bus. I don't get it. I find it real weird. I find it real strange. And it makes me think that there's other forces at play. He seems like a nice guy that would know his implications of those tweets, you know. But honestly, was Bitcoin going to dump regardless? You know what I'm saying? Elon had to bend the knee. The powers that be don't like him in crypto. They want everyone in fiat. He definitely had to bend the knee. Someone said, we got your kids. Something happened, man. Something happened. Vitalik, the real hero. Bought Shiba on the dip and made 2K in a few hours. Someone has him on a string. I agree with the other forces at play. Don't get too loud or they'll hear you. Hey, man, let them hear me. I'd rather be a martyr than a little quiet mouse. Hey, Lifer, looks like a lower low is happening. Do you think this time to use the down tokens? Elon is bipolar. He probably is. So there's the previous high for AAVE. We broke that, right? But then we came back below it yet again. We did break the previous high for AAVE. Where do I see AAVE going? Well, I basically gave you guys this trade. I said to get into AAVE here at bottoms of the patterns. We talked about it numerous times. I told you how much I hold AAVE. I hold AAVE since $80 and $60. So now we're killing it with AAVE, doing our thing, about to hit a 10x. $862 for AAVE. I believe he's just ramping up to push H-bar, in my opinion. I believe that the government will adopt it as a new used digital fiat. Don't like the media where there's a sign of FUD. Always get news posts pop up saying, man puts life savings in Bitcoin and loses it all, trying to scare people. Oh, yeah. This environment impact thing is an issue for Main Street News. Yeah. You already know who he's working for. He's in space. He's underground. He's getting bailed out. Yeah, I feel you, bro. Yeah. Hey, Lifer, this looks like a lower low. Yeah, he works for the IMF, right? He's controlled by the big banking system. What are your thoughts on Nano, Lifer? CSAC, High Truth. Crypto Space Apes. Crypto Space Apes, very small project. We got to get it off the ground, man. We, as a community, have to get it off the ground. Shout out to the $9.99 from Mint, my man. Much respect for the $20 pound. RIP MF Doom and DMX, 80s babies, Yonkers, White Plains, stand up. Dope lyrics, gonna need that collabo. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Interesting how much cash is held up in Doge and the new moon coins when the Bitcoin dips come. We can't see you, Lifer. It's all right. I'll be back one day. I don't want to show my face in the bear run. I don't want to show my face in this bear run. I can't take it in this down day. Interesting how much cash is held up in Doge. Yeah, I mean, a lot of these coins are holding pretty well. Like, I'm still owning a 10x in CATE. CateCoin's still holding really, really well. It's pretty interesting, right? Let's take a look at CateCoin on POOCOIN. Or even Dex Guru does a pretty good job. Kate. So look, it dumped and then it just kind of sitting there pretty nicely. Getting ready for its next leg up, guys. I didn't sell a dime of this. My $300 turned into $3,300. It probably was what? If it's $3,300 right now, then I had about 6,000 at one point. Came back down. Definitely should have sold the top and bought back in, for sure. Too many coins. I want to get rid of my elongate now. Don't worry, bro. No one's gonna blame you if they don't. If they do, they're a donkey off day. Man, if Cream was created by a hip hop artist, yo, Lifer, can you do a better token? For sure, bro. Vite TA looks hot, like one hell of a trade. Low cap on Binance. I like Vite. I like Vite a lot. Kate chart looks like a little flame, baby. Crypto rules, everything around me. Cream. Get the money. Dollar bill, yo. Kate doing its thing. Not bad. Let's take a look at what took a beating, though, was Saturna. SAT, right? Let's take a look at Saturna. Can't give me my Saturna. SAT. Saturna. Look, there's Sam coin. What is that? On red days, you can resist or persist. I insist on the latter. Shout out to James Burns. On red days, you can resist or persist. I insist on the latter. Keeping the movement, I pissed on my batter. Eat to the do to my ladder. That's how you would rap on the song at so 5. I have to be keeping the spit in the rhymes. I keep be flipping and kicking it high. I can end up with done. I should be gonna kind of done. Let's look at the tools here on POOCOIN. I want to see what's going on in POOCOIN world. Trending most popular websites. Not crypto related, but you look at Tesla. Been trying to figure out the patterns in TA, but finding it tricky. Need your expertise, bro. Anytime, Oliver. Anytime, guys. I don't mind looking at what you guys need. Sheep is hot right now. Caboose is still hot. SafeMoon still hot. Safe Nutstack. Gamer coin, guys. I think we're gonna have some big pump in Gamer. Kate, look. All our coins are the hottest, most viewed coins. We're in Kate. We're in Bonfire. We're in Gamer. We're in SafeMoon. And yeah, pretty sweet. And then ERC20. Imagine just calling your coin ERC20, calling it a day. Campfire Finance. That's been on my radar recently. Campfire Finance. I can't understand why I like it. It's making me think. Most referred donames. Sheep token, man. So Sheep is hot right now. What the heck is Sheep? Do we go make a killing on Sheep real quick? Frictionless yield generating code. You know none of this matters, right? None of this stuff matters. Oh, look, they put the POOCOIN chart on here. Kind of condensed version of it. Pretty smart thing to do. Caboose it, look. So they're running ads. See, these people run ads, and that's what kind of gets people into these coins. So Sheep took a pounding, but it's kind of where it needs to be right now. Interesting. On a nice trajectory. Low, high or low. Looks like it may be breaking out of this channel. There's a new coin called No Cap going. Safe Nutstack is big, man. That thing did big numbers yesterday. Liver, can you take a look at CORGI under the radar and a real use case? CORGI. SCORGI coin. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on and sharing your most precious asset with me. That's your time, guys. Much respect to everybody here. Ooh, that audio sounds great now. That's the audio you want, man. Can we get up to 100 likes, guys? Come on, I just need 11 people to show me that love. 10 people now to show me that love. I'm putting 10 people on the spot right now. 10 people on the spot. Show me that love, baby. Show me that love. We're going to start doing timestamps on the video. If you check my new video from yesterday, you're going to be able to go into a deep dive and do some timestamps. Pretty cool. I find that awesome. I find that really, really awesome. SCORGI coin. SCORGI coin. Scrooge coin. That's funny. Look, I messed up the O and the R. Bam. Let's see what's going on. That's CORGI, man. Yo, that's CORGI, bro. Space CORGI. Right here. Cryptocurrency. Yeah, man. Any thoughts on WilderCoin? Yeah, shout out to my man doing the timestamps. He's unbelievable. Space Corgi. Space Corgi is a pet service-oriented auto-staking deflationary utility token. Space Corgi leverages memenomics with real-world token utility, establishing a shared utility network across the pet, retail, and service industries with interchangeable referral and reward programs. Buy Ask Corgi now on PancakeSwap. Pretty interesting. Okay, so it's got some use case. It does more. It helps the animals. More than just a meme, is proud to announce a partnership with Scoopers.club, the world's first dog waste removal app. Available on iOS and Android, Scooper engineers are working to incorporate Space Corgi as a form of payment. With day one utility, S-Corgi is more than just a meme. What are your plans for the community building? Space Corgi has aggressive marketing campaigns and ambitious partner programs in place. Our roadmap contains plans to be available as payments to onlines. Interesting. Okay. Hey, 17 million. Very low holders, 8,650 holders. Not bad. Reflect percentage. Okay. Inbred Zuckerberg gets in on Bitcoin with his satanic goat message. That was the signal it was dumping so Inbreds could get more. Probably, bro. I believe you. Hey, Lifer, check out the BNB Diamond. It's growing crazy fast. I agree with you on that. This BNB up, BNB Diamond, all sorts of crazy stuff coming up. A lot of new things in the market, guys. A lot of new things in the market. Tony, how much Shiba did you get? That's a good question. Moon Pirate about to be listed on Coin Market Cap soon. Guys, we're going to moon with Moon Pirate. It's going to happen. Hey, Lifer, would you please take a look at WEX? It had a big dump 2 days ago. That's why I stayed away from WEX. 60K plus holders in 5 days. Bitcoin Diamond, baby. Let's take a look at that coin Gecko. Show me that little gecko, baby. Show me that little gecko. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. SafeMoon holding 831. I'm right below a 10x. I'm sitting at like a 97x for SafeMoon. No reason to sell a 97x, in my opinion. No reason to sell a 97x. Let's do the math for sure. Let me make it actually guaranteed for you guys. Because maybe it's not a 97x. I think it's less than that. So 831 divided by the 9. Because I got for 9. I'm up 92x in SafeMoon. Times 300. $27,000 in SafeMoon off of $300. Bam. Then we ended up putting more when it was 20K. About 3 grand more in when it was around, when I went down to 20K, we added 3K into it. So right now I'm sitting on about 2 different wallets, sitting on two different ledgers with SafeMoon. But we're still holding. See, my SafeMoon wallet is, connect your wallet. I did that. Oh, there it is. I was like, I know I did it. SafeMoon wallet's $34,000 right now off of $300. I mean, that's more than 100x, but I did put 3 grand in, you know. And then who wants to see the pain? I mean, yesterday we looked at the Yield Watch wallet, right? $110,000, $169,000 in SafeMoon at one point. I had 200 grand in SafeMoon yesterday. Now I'm sitting on about 140 grand in SafeMoon. So I did lose $60,000. But that's what you want to do if you want to hold, man. If you want to hold to the end, you're gonna have to. That's what they call diamond hands, bro. That's why like one guy said, diamond hands when you really believe in a project and you won't ever give it up. That's diamond hands, but I find diamond hands even different. Diamond hands is when you're up huge and you still hold for more. You know, doing all you need. Could you possibly check Zilliqua? Thank you so much at the beginning moon, man. Much respect to you. I'm down a lot, bro. Yikes. Sorry to hear that. No thanks. What's the deal? Pancake wouldn't let you sell? Pancake was so off yesterday, bro. Couldn't, like, so many things were whack. I didn't try to sell it. Any here of good luck? Looks like it could be something to look at. Good duck. Funny. Gold duck. Looks like good luck, right? Gold duck. Interesting. Down 6% today. Took a bit of a hit. The high was 1,076. Booming. I believe SafeMoon's so popular, got so much going on for it. To sell it right now, my instincts tell me not a good look. Also, the TA says not a good look. Let's go to the TA on SafeMoon and take a deep dive on it real quick. We're also going to take a look at Matic. We're going to see what's going on. We're going to take a look at Zilliqua. And we're going to take a look at deep dive on Nano. Nano's hot, man. I'll take a deep dive on Nano right now. Not related. We'll take a look at Tesla as well. I'm going through the super chats and just double checking here. So first super chat here from Oliver. We're going to take a look at Tesla. We looked at AAVE. I see AAVE going up to $862 before another pullback. Watch AAVE continue to rip to the upside. Thank God there's some shine. There's something to look at today. Something to be happy about. My AAVE bag is booming. Yeah, but if you didn't get at least 1 billion Shiba for life savings, then that is more of a yikes from my perspective. Right, Lifer? Hint, hint. Wink, wink. I don't know. A billion Shiba for life savings? I don't know. It's up to you guys. I don't really believe in that. Holding my billion SafeMoon for the yacht, baby. Keeping it moving, man. Keeping it moving. He's holding the SafeMoon yacht, man. SHR taking a beatdown back to half a penny from its high. This is sad, man. This is why you almost need to sell the tops of these coins. Come on. SHR going to 10 cents and losing 50% of your value. SHR, man. Could do better than that. Yeah, but if you don't get at least a billion Shiba for life. Did you pick up 0.17 Zills? Already got a lot of Zilliqua. Didn't touch Zilliqua. Lifer, check out LTO, please. Strong fundamentals, but on a big dip at the moment. LTO is hot. One of the greatest coins. Not many people talk about LTO, and I used to talk about LTO all the time. Let's take a look at Tesla for my man, Oliver. He wants to know what's going on with Tesla. We'll take a look at... It's funny. You try to take Tesla, and it comes up in crypto. You don't even need to trade the stock market on it. Let's take a look at it on the NASDAQ, Tesla. Okay. I mean, this is where you just pull a Fibonacci and you kind of take a look at where you're at, right? Impulse bought. Take a look at the impulse. We pull it down. I thought we'd break out of that falling wedge and get all the way up to the next high, but we did not, right? We had an inverted head shoulders, did not play out, broke to the downside. And now we're at the 618. I mean, that's a beautiful entry right there. Textbook entry to get into the on the 618, right? Then you want to make a channel of this and see, okay, well, they had it in a channel, but they were trying to play people in and out of it. So that's Tesla, man. Down, up, down, up. It's on the down. It's going to come up, maybe come back down, and then boom up for another lower high. I would get Tesla right now at $590. Beautiful price. Then you want to take a look at the daily, make sure it's oversold, which I could tell when something's that low on oversold dailies come with 618s on the fib. I mean, they go hand in hand, right? These things happen together. So extremely oversold on the daily, ready to rock. Then you want to perfect your entry with the 4 hour and the 1 hour, 1 hour and 4 hour ready to rock, and 1 hour's coming on down. This is where I would get into Tesla. 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily are all oversold, and you're on the 618. You cannot beat this entry. You cannot. $590 for Tesla. You're going to see Tesla way above here not too long from now, especially with its holdings in Bitcoin as it starts to raise and Bitcoin goes up to 100K. You're going to see Tesla do something crazy. Back in my day, Sonny Boy, you could buy a billion Shiba for $81. We talk like that amongst ourselves in here sometimes, not to confuse you, boss. No, I do that all the time. I think it's funny. Back in my day. What do you think about Neo? How did I not see that? Thanks, Lifer. You are brilliant. Anytime, man. You got to pay attention, man. Do your math. Do your homework. Check out OG SafeMoon, a.k.a. FEG. Just got banned by most Chinese exchanges last night. Check out the OG SafeMoon, a.k.a. FEG. Got banned by most Chinese exchanges. That's funny. Why did they ban FEG? Feed every gorilla. My baby. Feed every gorilla. I actually wanted this when it first came out. I thought it would be a good project. I was like, you know what? I like Feed Every Gorilla. Down 40% today as it got pushed off the exchanges for sure. But in the last 30 days, it's up 3,000%. Even after that, look at that dip, and then the dip got bought up pretty fast. Dipped, bought up. Think could be starting to make a move again. We'll see. FEG token, Feed Every Gorilla. What do you think about Neo? I like Neo a lot. We'll take a look at Zilliqua for sure. We'll take a look at, do a deep dive on Nano. Let's take a look at Nano. A lot of people like Nano so much. Let's take a look at why Nano is hot. Why did Nano pump today? Because Nano pumps because it's the most energy efficient coin. And then when he pumped that, people said, well, what is he talking about? And they started buying Nano. Look at that cup and handle in Nano right there. We're going to take a look at the fundamentals. We're going to take a look at the project. We're going to take a look at the website. Digital money for the modern world. Get Nano, accept Nano, build on Nano. Nano makes money efficient for a more equal world. Simple to pay with easy to accept and open to all. Feeless. Nano is feeless, making it practical and inclusive for everyone in the world. Without relying on mining, printing, or minting, Nano is sustainable digital money. Digital money should be quick and easy to use. Nano is ready when you are. Let's take a look at what they talk about Nano. Hold on one second. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Positive. Somebody in FEG team made a negative comment on a Chinese president. Nano can reach 1,000 per coin potential. Nano is Doge without inflation. Isn't that crazy? He says one thing. Freedom of speech just does not exist for that man. He says one thing and they just crucify him, right? That's crazy. That is crazy, man. Don't mess. See, that society is no joke, bro. No joke, man. No joke. Man, you say one thing and got the prez and they boot you, bro. They kick you off an exchange like that. Damn, that's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, still holding 160,000, but I think yesterday that was 169, right? So, you know, nice $60,000 loss. Could have done my kitchen over. Hold SafeMoon for the next huge pump, and then I'm out. I don't know how much longer I can hold, man. It's not easy, bro. Blockchain gonna literally turn into block and chain. Liar. Fire rats, my dude. Anytime, man. Shout out to Mark Coleman. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me. Shiba back up 18% already. Let's take a look at that Shiba coin. Yeah, I just dissected Tesla for my man. Pretty much there it is, right? Pretty textbook. Shiba Inu up 21% today after the bounce. Double bottom right there, actually. That's where you went on a buy. Double bottom on the end of the wedge off of the 200-day moving average. Beautiful, beautiful. Respect. Respect for Shiba right there. I see Shiba breaking on out and continuing to the upside. Then you want to pull a fib on Shiba as well. And there we go, 618 retrace. I mean, you can't beat it. Golden pocket, bouncing back up, now in the 0.5 fib. And this fib is respecting the 382 resistance, which we want to get through. And then, you know, the 236 and back to the high. So, boom, where do we see it going? Let's pull a fib extension. Just go from here and go back to the bottom the opposite way. It's going to give you your extensions on the Fibonacci's. So we can see some big gains for Shiba. Really. Just the way of the world, right? If you don't second guess this stuff and let it play out the way it's supposed to play out. Could still get 416% gains from Shiba. When I see a 4x now, I get depressed. You know, I'm like, oh, that's just a 4x. I used to 10x every night of the week. It's just kind of crazy, man. It's a little strange, you know. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones. Did the Dow bounce back? We want to make sure the Dow took a bit of a bounce back. We'll see what happened to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. It had two nasty red candles yesterday. Huge bounce for the Dow in the 1 hour. That's what we want to see. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Nice bounce in the Dow. And the Dow's still in a beautiful trajectory. Guys, it broke out of a rising wedge and didn't go back into the pattern. I mean, it's on its way to 40K. Blow off top. And then it's going to go parabolic. I think it can get all the way to like 80,000. I mean, because this is just the beginning of big legs up in parabolic city. So, something to put on your radar, right? Crypto crash, baby. Crypto crash, man. What a nasty crash. Nano pumps on energy tweets. Bitcoin uses renewable energy. Elon was held hostage. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Can we get up to 150 likes? There's 50 of you people not hitting the like button. The likes help me get all the way up to the top. Please propel me all the way to the top, my friends. Please propel me all the way to the top. Don't hold me back. Don't hold me back. I don't hold myself back. Don't you hold me back. Honestly, I don't carry any dead weight. So if I really knew you were someone who would watch this video and not hit the like button, I would cut you right out of my Patreon. I would cut you out of every single thing in my life. I really would. So if you were sitting there watching this and not hitting the like button, know that one day, and then in the past life, I'll rewind my life. I will watch the times you were watching my videos, and I will come for you in your next life. I will come for you. And you will not escape the realms of my energy. So I'd advise you to hit that like button if you don't want me to come for you in the next life, man, because I will. I will right every wrong. I will right every wrong. If it doesn't 10x within 24 hours, I don't want it. Isn't that funny? That's how I feel. Hey, boss, did ADA follow Bitcoin? Is it due for a fall? No, it did not. It pumped hard. It pumped hard. 4x ain't enough, right? It's just so sad, man. 4x ain't nothing. It's like, Y'all heard the man hit that like button. Yeah, it's trying to play me for a fool, bro. Live, check out Pink Moon. They announced the sex links. Wow, you've been on that Pink Moon for a minute. LOL Straight Street. Nano community is huge. Nano is a big community, for sure. I hold some Nano. I do hold Nano. I kind of wish I held more. Nano's pretty hot. Nano just tweezer top. Let's take a look at Nano on the tweezer top. Yep, for sure it did. Yep, tweezer top right there. Usually you want a little more of a wick, but you're right. Tweezer top right there on the 1 hour and a dump. And a dump. When it was my high as 17, man. Jeez Louise. But don't stress it. Where it'll go, it's going to go to this previous high. Should fight back. It's at this resistance right here, or support. Should break back above there, though. 4x, man. Hey, Sam, Vitalik donated $1 billion worth of Shiba Inu to charity. Do you still think the price will stay up? Yeah, but he did that. Why did he do that? So he didn't have to pay on his ETH fees. Think about it. He had mad ETH since he was a kid, worth like a dollar. Like, he's had ETH since it was worth pennies. So he owes billions. So of course he's going to donate billions of dollars worth of Shiba, because then he can save money on his taxes, bro. Come on, man. That's a write-off for that man. You know what I'm saying? That's a write-off for that man. So, yeah. Don't be fooled, man. Don't be fooled. Everybody is in it for themselves in some way, shape, or form. You know, even me, I'm in it for me, but I give a piece of me back to you guys, right? You know, I say, hey, where's the balance in this? Okay, well, I'll slice a piece of myself off for everybody else, right? And, you know, but you can't say that your human mind, your human body does not want to help. You know, you want to eat. You need to eat food. You need to find food for yourself. You don't get food for somebody else. Guys, I stayed away from Mozart Finance. A lot of you guys put it on my radar. I stayed away. It went from $12 to $1. Stay away from the high yields. I'm telling you, don't chase this. Also, if the TVL is, you can get into these only if you get into when the TVL is below $1 million, 500,000. That's when you're going to make a killing. That small amount of TVL pumps the price. The price goes from $1 to $12 by the time we get to 4 million. Everyone that jumps in from 4 to 5, 6, 7 million, they get dumped on. So remember that when you're in any of these crazy clones of chains, when you're in PancakeSwap clones. That's a PancakeSwap clone, not to be looked at like another meme coin. Two different things. Two different things. Shout out to 150 people not liking this. We have, 30 people not hitting the like button. We got, I guess, 28 because, yeah. Vitalik and Zuckerberg related. Sensible Finance looking good. Vitalik owned 90 billion worth of ETH. Now it's $1 trillion. He's got $1 trillion, huh? Show us your Mike Maloney silver for good luck. Mike Maloney silver for good luck, baby. Let's keep it moving. And you can see it way better now that I do the green screen. I used to show this all the time on the live, but it didn't really come out well. Now we can really show it. Well, let me twist it right. Coin can spin inside of the housing. And the buffalo, man. For we all are all dawns in this life, man. We are all dawns in this life, right? What do you think about XLM? How about injection protocol? Yeah, they want to promote their coins, but not hit the damn like button. I like this guy. Sensible Finance, Vitalik. I love you. Shout out to High Truth, my dude, man. I want to go find your channel and like you, bro. Interesting dude, man. I like you, bro. Hey, Sam, just a heads up. That beginning moon gave a super chat for Zilliqua. No, I got it. We'll get through. I'll go back to I got them open right here. See? Deep dive for Nano, Tesla. We're just kind of finishing that Nano deep dive, man. So eco-friendly, I wanted to play this video.
Banks have been our trusted financial middlemen throughout history. They offer a secure place for our money and relatively easy access to it. However, with bank fees and slow transaction times, this comes at a cost. But what if buyers and sellers could securely transact with each other directly without the need of a trusted middleman? This was the driving force behind the early digital currencies. Complex algorithms combined with cryptography and a public ledger meant that banks were no longer needed to verify transactions. Yet these currencies are far from perfect. Transactions require a process called mining, where computers compete to solve complex equations for the reward of newly minted currency. But as the transaction ledger grows, this process becomes increasingly slow, inefficient, and expensive. Introducing Nano. Nano utilizes an innovative technology called the block lattice, which works without a mining process.
The lattice, baby.
Transactions of
what you know about the lattice?
Being processed instantly with no fees. There's no limit to how many transactions can occur simultaneously. Nano is the digital currency designed to function on a global scale. Nano's vision is to bring digital currency to the masses. We are focused on creating innovative applications that put Nano at the heart of people's everyday lives. And this is just the beginning.
Funny, a guy who I think worked for Nano gave me 100 Nano on my live stream. And so I'm sitting on my phone here. I got a Nano wallet. And when I look at it, damn, should have sold it for $1,700. Should send it to feel like I should send it. I'm sitting on $1,500 worth of Nano right now. That's what it says. I have 115 Nanos. Funny, he used to send me Nano randomly, too, throughout, like 2 Nanos a week. Let's see, the last time he sent me a Nano was February 8th. But he sent me 115 Nano in total. He would randomly send me Nano. And now I got look, no lie, $1,500 in Nano sitting on this wallet from someone that just gave me $100 during the live stream, which is pretty cool. I mean, that's why when someone says they're going to give you something, I downloaded the wallet immediately. I was like, yeah, I'll take that. Guys, I got the Cloud Lifter. I just want to put this out there. Unbelievable. I'm really a big fan of this. This microphone needed a lot of gain to sound good. Ordered this immediately. Yes, it was like $120, but honestly, man, makes it work. Makes any mic sound unbelievable. So shout out to the Cloud Lifter. I even like the old school logo. You know, if you bought if you were in the music industry, that writing was the old writing on a lot of amplifiers, guitars. You know, you would see this cool writing. I don't know who kind of started that cool writing, but I really like this old school look of the Cloud Lifter. This thing is hot, bro. This thing is hot. This thing is really, really hot. So shout out to the Cloud Lifter. Shout out to Cloud. So it's an awesome mic accentuator. It basically, it has it puts 48 volts. It takes phantom power and adjusts it into the mic to boost the signal. And you don't even need to plug it in, right? It's pretty cool. Nano for domestic payments, XRP for international payments and settlement, fast, cheap, and environmentally efficient. Cloud Lifter, baby. XRP user, pant my bags. What up? Shout out to Dukin. I use that with my SM78 Cloud Lifer, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Much respect to everyone. Hey, Rufus, can I show everyone the design that you made, man? Or should we keep that on the low first? Let me know, Rufus. I'd love to show everyone just the beginnings of the design. I'm so excited about it. But if you want me to keep it under wraps, I'll keep it under wraps. So I had to ask you before I put it out there. But I'm just so excited. But we probably should wait. But it just looks so cool, man. Shout out to Kit. I just want to give a shout out to my man Kit. Love you, bro. Just want to make sure everything's cool, man. I love you, man. Cody kills Nano. Interesting. Wasn't Cody in an Israeli conspiracy, though? That was kind of funny. You guys saw that stuff? So Nano, guys, just putting Nano on your radar, kind of highlighting Nano. $1.7 billion market cap. Has really room to grow. Could easily 10x to $130 coin very fast from now. Nano still doing this thing, up 134% on the 30 days on the month. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on and sharing your most precious asset with me. And that's your time, guys. That's your time. That is your time. Oh, it's me. Woe is me. Show me the love. Show me the light. Show me the fire. Show me the sight. Show me what you got. Show me what's right. Show what I can do tonight. I keep it spinning and ripping and kicking. I keep it flipping and hipping and spinning. There's no level to the level of my lines. There's no stuck on my rhyme. Stuck on my touch of my time. Oh, the green crypto is going to explode after Elon TWT. No. Crypto will go on just like it was, man. Crypto will go on just like it was. People who hold their bags will hold their bags. 1 inch. Taking a dump as usual. But you know what I like? This is what I like. This is what I keep talking about. You get your shoulder, head, and shoulder. And that range, that zone where the head of the shoulder was, that should be the place where you kind of get some support and resistance. That's what I talk about with the head and shoulder. It's always strange to see Bitcoin go all the way down and break this level. It really was. Cody allows anyone to create payment options and services on blockchains. See? Cody, man. Representing. I hold Cody and I like Cody a lot, so I like ALGO a lot. Check out REEF. Lots of news out. Should be moving well in the next couple weeks. Yeah, REEF did well. Started to break out of the channel it was in, right? And then it kind of collapsed a little bit. Let's take a look at REEF. REEF was doing well, right? There's my buy zone in this green box. Only entered it once on a wick and then zoomed on out. But it did touch my buy zone. Anywhere in the buy zone is valid, no matter how small of a little pinch. But now I kind of want to adjust Nano's chart and align these because I mean it is hitting these highs here. So it's more in a channel now. Coming down, coming up, coming down, coming out. REEF, sorry guys, I said Nano. REEF. Apologize. REEF. REEF, buy here at the bottom of the channel, right? That's what I was suggesting. Now let's take a look at where REEF is now. I mean, it's still close to that all-time high. It's not, it does have, now it has some more, now it has to go through this resistance, which sucks. It was above it already. Now it has to break through it again. I still hold my REEF. I'll hold it for 2-3 months until I get all the way back up. I'm holding it till I get all the way up here. 700% gains out of my REEF, and then I'll think about making a move. Soon as ETH stops mooning, ADA should follow suit. The narrative for green cryptos will definitely pump them. Unstoppable domains. I wish we could ship Elon to China. This means ADA is going to Mars now. Check out REEF, yeah. Let's take a look at ADA. Cardano, baby. And Cardano is an efficient blockchain. People don't realize that too. Cardano is a really good blockchain, right? Super efficient. Awesome. When Cardano really comes and does what it does, I think people are going to really realize, like, wow. Cardano wants $2 today. There's a high probability it wants $2. I put out a call right here. I said, watch if ADA breaks this line. And honestly, this is the line. And it really did break that line right there. See, now it's a previous high. Altcoin, I think we're going to go all the way up here to about $2.78 for ADA. Watch Cardano to start make big moves. It's breaking out parabolically. This is a rising wedge that is breaking out from. That begins the parabola, right? You can see the yellow line that I drew here. This is the parabola idea. ADA continuing to go to the upside. Let me adjust my parabola, make it a little closer to the price action. But I see ADA doing serious damage. Serious damage. People don't realize what a big deal it has with its Africa connection. What can happen with that? Charles Hawkinson is not a fool. He has things in play for things in play for things in play. ADA, XRP, Doge, Nano, very efficient. And algorithm. I DM you again. Info on Man, USDT, Matrix, AI, 2-head project gaining momentum, long accumulation, and breakout on the daily. Just got listed on KuCoin. Someone is always winning somewhere in crypto. It's just a matter of learning how to get in the way of it. Yeah, he's right. Let's take a look at your DM. This thing better be the neatest DM I've ever seen, man. Nice and neat. Again, you didn't... Come on, man. Why do you do this to me, bro? I don't understand. We'll talk again later, man. I'm gonna start getting crazy, bro. Like, I want the name. I want bullet points, bro. I want bullet points, man. I don't want just links I gotta click on. I want bullet points that make this nice and neat for me. Make a Google sheet. Hit me up. I can hit the Google sheet. Pop, 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 pop. 2 minutes. I go over this whole thing. Get everyone they need. You could have done the research for me and had it nice and neat. I'm just saying. Matrix Network. Digital asset. Like, there's not even a link here for me to click on. You're copying links. I guess there's a link here. My bad. Just let's make it neat, bro. 1, link. 2, contract address if it's there. 3, bum, 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 bum. I'm impressed how calm you are after the dump we just went through. Show how experienced you are. We are in good hands. Thank you. Someone is always winning somewhere in crypto. Yeah. ADA Bitcoin pair, please. The ADA BTC pair. Matrix AI Network, the great adventure of blockchain and AI. Matrix white point on white paper, the green paper. Ooh, the green paper. Pretty interesting, right? This is Korean? I think that's Korean. I don't know, though. Matrix is China stuff. Hard pass. Look at him. Hard pass. Manta, man trading asset. Manta is an auto machine learning platform built on Matrix mainnet. It enables anyone with no technical knowledge in AI to perform machine learning on Matrix node and get the AI node models they need. It's a universal pass on Matrix AI network. I'm not a huge fan of AI. I'm kind of skeptical of it, right? Simple Matrix, Jura verification, master node pool. Introducing Nano. I mean, Matrix 2.0. Interesting. So I got a lot of sleep last night. Doesn't feel like it. Sorry on the phone. Just forward it. We'll do the bullets neatly. I feel you, man. I just want to show guys there's a lot more stress on me. I have 100 people asking me things. It's so easy. I thought about all the times I went and hit a link and then I spent 5 minutes wasting time clicking around. And I'm sick of doing that for you guys. I want to nail it. I want this to be the show where you get something and you get it right. It hits you hard and I just kind of nail you with the information right when you need it. And that's kind of like, so I want to be better. So I want my team to be better. I want us all to be more efficient, more information more organized, and, Shout out to everyone here. 150 people watching, 134 likes. Matrix is China stuff. Yeah, brother. If they don't come ready for school with the links and the bullets, they don't get schooled. Man, sorry on the phone, just forward it. We'll do the bullets neatly. I'm so hard on the Duke, and I love him so much, bro. I'm so hard on the dude, though. Like, sometimes I'm like, why am I so hard on people? Because you know why? My grandfather, my uncle, my dad, they were hard on me. I don't know any other way to be, you know? It doesn't mean if I'm hard on you, it means I like you. It's kind of weird, right? And, you know, people used to say that to me, and I didn't understand it. I get it now. I get it. Let's take a look at algorithm. Everything's kind of just moving along. The good coins really aren't bashful today. They don't really care. Algorithm's still forming this beautiful rising wedge, getting ready for a parabolic run right out of this coin. Obviously, fake outs, but the continuation of the pattern looks legit. This is where you would buy Algorithm at 139 right here before it pumps pretty hard at the bottom of the pattern. A really good price for Algo. Algo, I believe, is going to get connected to the reset IMF banking coin. It's got something going on for it. Extremely smart man who created Algorithm. So let's talk about the CEO of Algo. Watch this. CEO of Algorand. Algorithm. I'm calling it Algorithm. It's called Algorand. Sean Lee is the CEO of Algorand. Let's take a look at Sean Lee. He's an experienced leader with an extensive go-to-market experience working with startups and global technology companies in North America and Asia. He's an inspiring conference speaker focused on digital innovation and cloud strategy and fintech. Sean is currently the CEO of Algorand Foundation, where he leads a talented global team of researchers, operators, and marketers to fulfill their global promise of blockchain technology by learning the Algorand protocol, an open source software which was initially designed by Silvio Macaulay and a team of leading scientists. This is what I wanted to talk about. Silvio Macaulay. Let's take a look at this guy's name. And now you kind of go on the deep dive for Algorithm. And this is why I push Algo and I talk about Algo all the time. Silvio Macaulay, born October 13th, is an Italian computer scientist in MIT Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory and professor of computer sciences at MIT. Here in Massachusetts, baby. Here in my home city. Smartest people in the world here in Boston, representing the Beantown, baby. Literally, you can walk into some of the smartest minds in the world in the city of Boston, man. So I'm happy I'm back home in Boston. I'm not saying New York ain't a worldly city with awesome stuff, but Boston has condensed knowledge. Compact. It's a small city with a lot of super smart, intelligent people inside of Boston. So just want to put that on your radar, man. I love my city, representing, feeling proud for Boston. Funny, man, we made it to 200 yesterday when the markets were going well. Everything was rocking and rolling. Algo was a great replacement for my savings account. Yeah, can you talk about the internet computer? ICP is going to be big. It's number 8 coin already. I will take a look at that. But just take a look at who this guy is, man. Macaulay's been on a faculty at MIT Electric and Computer Science Department since 1983. The year I was born, bro. He research interests are cryptography, zero knowledge, pseudo-random generation, secure protocols, and mechanism design. In 2017, he founded Algorand. I mean, come on now. He graduated. He's best known for some of his fundamental early work on public key crypto systems, pseudo-random functions, digital signatures, obvious transfer, secure multi-party computation, and is one of the co-inventors of zero-knowledge proof. He formed doctoral students include, what is zero-knowledge proof? It's a method by which one party can prove to another party that they know a value without conveying any information apart from the fact that they know the value. The essence of zero-knowledge proof is that it is trivial to prove that one possesses knowledge of certain information by simply revealing it. The challenge is to prove such possession without revealing the information itself or any additional information. If proving a statement requires that the prover possesses some secret information, then the verifier will not be able to prove the statement to anyone else without possessing the secret information. The statement being proved must include the assertion that the prover has such knowledge, but not the knowledge itself. Otherwise, the statement would not be proved in zero knowledge because it provides the verifier with additional information about the statement by the end of the protocol. A zero knowledge proof of knowledge is a special case when the statement consists only of the fact that the prover possesses the secret information. Interactive zero-knowledge proofs require interaction between the individual or computer system providing their knowledge and the individual validating the proof. I mean, come on, man. To even sit and think about that and figure that out. The 2 balls in colorblind friend test. Imagine your friend is red-green colorblind while you are not, which I am. I'm red-green colorblind. And you have 2 balls, one red, one green, but otherwise identical. To your friend, they seem completely identical. He is skeptical that they are actually indistinguishable. You want to prove to him that they in fact are different colored, but nothing else in particular. You don't want to reveal which one is red and which one is green. Here's the proof system. You give 2 balls to your friend and he puts them behind his back. Now he takes one of the balls and brings it out from behind his back and displays it. He then places it behind his back again and then chooses to reveal just one of the 2 balls, picking one of 2 at random with equal probability. He will ask you, did I switch the ball? This whole procedure is then repeated as often as necessary. By looking at their colors, you can, of course, say with certainty whether or not he switched them. On the other hand, if they were the same color, hence indistinguishable, there is no way you could guess correctly with probability higher than 50%. Since the probability that you would have randomly succeeded at identifying each switch, non-switch, is 50%, the probability of having randomly succeeded at all switch is 0, approaches 0, soundness. If you and your friend repeat this proof multiple times, 100 times, your friend should become convinced that the balls are indeed differently colored. The above proof is 0 knowledge. What are you doing, man? You can't do that stuff to me. It freaks me out. You can't. That's the last time you did that. It really freaked me out. I know, but it gets me. Someone's standing next to me, staring at me. I feel my conscience feels you. And I don't know what's going on. Text me or something, or walk in and wave like you usually do. You're standing creeping next to somebody, bro. Like creeping. Jesus. Okay. Nano. Especially when the market's off. You know I'm on edge, bro. You guys, I'm calm, but come on, you know. It's not like the greatest day on earth, right? It's not the greatest day on earth. Yesterday was a better day. Adam holding against. I want to see how Adam BTC pair is holding. I want to see how my BTC pairs are holding. They should be holding pretty well. I'm up on Bitcoin actually today, 0.1, which is, you know, a lot. I mean, that's $5,000 on Bitcoin. So we'll take that to the bank, baby. Trading against Bitcoin is a lot harder than they say it was. Everyone says it's easy. It's not easy, man. Holding Bitcoin pairs, USDT pairs kind of hold more. Holding Bitcoin pairs takes its toll, takes its time. You know. Silo finally moving back up today, starting to do its bit of a thing. SHA, really good time to buy into SHA. I'm telling you right now, it's at the bottom of the pattern, right? 1 BTC holding. All right, not too bad, not too bad. Let's take a look at ALGO BTC. Atom BTC. It's holding 1400. I was up 27 at the point, but it's not too bad. Market's starting to recover. Market's starting to recover up a bit. Not too bad right now so far. 24 hours up $2,000 on the account. Everything all right. Kind of bouncing out. Bouncing out. And I shout out to 3 commas. Really shows you everything that's going on in your account. Hit up your dashboard. See what's going on. You can't beat 3 commas. As it had a glitch, as I'm talking about. You can't beat 3 commas. Shows you your entire portfolio, everything that's going on. Look, we are down on the day on almost everything I'm holding. Look at that. I'm down on everything I hold. VeChain's down 10. Ethereum's down 11. IOST. This is where you buy, guys. These are beautiful buys. This ACE Ascent. ACE Token Stars. That's actually a different coin. ACE. Funny. Oh, no, that is ACE. ACE Token Stars. Makes me wonder. Wait, ACE Token Stars. Ascent. Makes me wonder if I bought the wrong coin, dude. Hold up. Hold up. Or did I get... Interesting. I'm a little worried right now. Hold up. Token Stars. Because I did this through 3 commas, and did I buy the wrong... Did I buy ACE? No, it's at the same price. Why does that say Token Stars, though? Ascent. Interesting. That was weird. Here's another ACE. Not the same price, so it couldn't be it, you know? It just got me weirded out. You got Ascent. I'm pretty sure I got ACE. Here's ACE Entertainment. Funny, that was at 38 cents, too. It's on KuCoin, so I probably can't. But, you know, I'm weary, man. Shooketh. My man said, yo, I think I bought the wrong coin. Yo, I'm dying. Well, because I use 3 commas, right? And so 3 commas is an API. So you're typing it all in and trying to look. And that's kind of weird, you know? Like, Token Stars. Like, what the hell is Token Stars? I think this is, I almost feel like 3 commas is doing it, you know? Account's still doing well, man. Look, moving up on the BTC pairs, which I'd like to see. And I'll show you, man. Overall profit, $141,000, right? Balance, 3.5 Bitcoin. Profit for the month, up 24%. Profit for the day, up 2.4%. Sharp ratio, deviation, the Sortino ratio, right? Bam. Gaining that Bitcoin, man. 0.85 Bitcoin, baby. Owning that. So we did good, bro. We did good on the month, all right? We did good on the month, right? Try to maintain consistent movement to the upside. My man said, yo, type token stars on CoinGecko and see. Token stars. Yeah, I don't even know what that is, bro. You know why it says Ace token stars? Just weird. Look at this Ace token stars. The first talent management on the blockchain. Ace token stars. Celebrity managed platform. What? So it's looking like I bought this coin, but like I did not buy this coin, man. I think it's the API on 3 commas. I think they're misinterpreting the actual coin. I gotta go to KuCoin to make sure, man, that there ain't no Ace token there. But it's the same price as the coin, honestly. I look at my smart trade position, and when I look at the chart's the same, man. I bought the chart, bro. Out to brunch? Can we go to brunch? You want to go to brunch, baby? Or are you leaving for brunch? Out to brunch? I'd love to do brunch. Can we do brunch, babe? I don't understand. I can't stand when people put weird random comments at me. Like, they don't realize that it gets thrown me off, man. Yes, let's go to brunch. Brunch sounds good, right? We haven't been to brunch in a long time, man, because the baby. We got a baby. We can't go out. We got all this crazy stuff going on. Yeah, when I hit it, it's called Ace. Like, when I hit it on 3 commas, it brings me to Ace. That's a malfunction by 3 commas. They're naming my position like something strange, right? Eggs Benedict, Agrello, like, or meh. Agrello, let's take a look at Agrello. DLT, I like DLT. DLT was a project I've been looking at for the last few years. It's been on my radar. $14 million in market cap. DLT is hot right now. You can get it on Binance at 17 cents. This thing's an oldie but goodie. DLT, baby. I remember this project. Agrello. Let's take a look at it. 1956. I remember the ticker DLT. Identify-based digital signatures. ID signatures are based on your true identity, secured by the toughest cryptography and identity verification. Sign any digital document with confidence. Get started for free. Watch the video. Sign your documents digitally with Agrello. I think this is a great idea. I think we need this.
Say hello to Tom. Tom is looking for a business partner through professional networks for his great business idea. He searches for people with similar interests and finds a great contact, Noah. Noah is ready to join the super project and believes it's going to be a success. Oh, bummer. Because of the pandemic lockdown and all that's happening these days, moving around the world and meeting face-to-face has become really challenging. They simply cannot meet to shake hands and sign important documents. But wait, Tom has an idea. Tom decides to look for a good digital signature solution to sign documents remotely. He discovers there are plenty. But the .id digital signature software looks the best. It's really easy to use. It only takes up to 10 minutes to set up the account and start signing. All Tom has to do is upload the signed contract and invite Noah to sign. Tom knows that a digital signature with a .id is based on document-verified identity. He can be confident that the signature is valid and based on Noah's true identity. Now, all he has to do is wait for Noah to sign. Super, it's signed.
They could have sped this up a little bit, man. Wasted a lot of time on that video. We sitting there listening to nothing.
Choose .id, the identity-based advanced digital signature solution.
Yeah, it's like they took all that to show. I mean, they took way too long to get us through that video. But Agrello, I like the idea. We need this. It's definitely a use case that can come through. It's definitely a good utility, identity-based digital signatures. .id, a unique way to sign your digital documents. Unlike common approaches to digital signed documents, .id digital signature is based on your true identity. We provide a unique and secure way to sign any document, any type to sign any types of your documents. That's not written right. To sign any type of document. Our technology is open to any developer and an integrator to build borderless networks of trust powered by digital identities and signatures. Take a look at the few examples of how ID can help your business. Fintech, e-commerce, HR, freelancers, startups, small businesses, lawyers, firms, lawyers. Our blog updates, how it works. Get your ID. So you get your ID, upload and sign the document, install ID app, get your ID. Interesting. Dad Constellation, we should look into it again if you don't mind. Yeah. And back to the music. Tom, hit that music, Tommy. Shout out to 7,200 people, bro. We got 200 subs, man, in the last day, bro. We never did that. So that means in 5 days we can get 8,000 people. 5 days we can go to 8,000, man. We're on our way to the moon, man. We're on our way to the moon. Funny, I remember the last red day, way more super chats, man. Chris Conlon being cheap. Calling him out right now. No super chat. Just you know. Chris Conlon could start he could send me a super chat and then the super chats could flood in, but he wants to see me poor. He wants to see me poor in the streets, eating out of a cardboard box. That's what Chris wants. Chris, why do you want me eating out of a cardboard box, man? How come you can't start the super chat flood, man? Give me that love, bro. What's wrong, man? What did I do to you, man? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Much respect, bro. I know you want to see me eating chicken bones, bro. You want to see me eating the little piece of skin off the chicken bone, man. Just enough so I can live. Just enough so you can walk by me in the street. Shout out to everyone on the live stream. 156 people watching, 156 likes. Cardboard, bro. Cardboard. I'm in a box of cardboard there. Get Sam some pizza money for his family. All the hipsters eat out of cardboard boxes. It's cool to be broke, man. I never was into that whole hipster lifestyle, bro. I want to be broke, bro. Your mind hanging us up with BTC, Bitcoin dominance, total 2 type things. I put in a small leverage long at 48K. I know what I'm supposed to do every single day. We went over Bitcoin pretty thoroughly, right? So let's get to brass tacks, man. Let's get to brass tacks. What we started this channel was Bitcoin dominance, total 2. Shout out to Calderonster, man, for getting me back into the grind, back into the zone. I just want to see Bitcoin make it back up into this pattern, which it did. Beautiful, right? So I had Bitcoin in like this, the Twisted Sister. Remember, yesterday I had you guys, bro. I had you guys. I said Bitcoin's doing one of 2 things. It's either going to break down or break up, right? I said it's either going to follow one trajectory or follow the other one. Bro, can you buy a Popeye 3-piece and live off that for a week? I still like DSLA. We'll take a look at that for you, my friend. We'll take a look at that. We haven't forgotten it. So we were looking like, could it have been in this channel here? So there's talks that it could have been in this bigger channel, like this. And then it was going to respect the this price line. And go up, down, come back in. No, but it fell out. And I said, well, then it's going to follow this channel. I like that it kind of bounced off support right now. We're holding 50,000, right? Big deal. Bitcoin needs to hold 50K. Crazy how long we stayed in this zone. No one expected this much consolidation, honestly. This is a good sign. Shout out to the fashionably broke hipsters of Jamaica Plain. Shout out to, you're from Boston, bro? Miss Perfecton? I didn't know you were from Jamaica Plain. You probably told me before, but I don't remember. Yeah, shout out to Jamaica P. Shout out to JP, bro. Shout out to all the people in JP rocking quilts for a coat and, patch knit pants. And if that's what you do, shout out to you, man. No disrespect, yo. Wear whatever you want. Be whoever you want to be. I love you no matter what. Just because I don't do it doesn't mean it's not cool, right? I don't have to do it. Okay. So honestly, Bitcoin could literally just be hanging out in this channel. And it could respect this channel, right? I want to see a candle close. Wow, the weekly candle close is going to be fun Sunday night, huh? We're going to have way more to go over here. Remember, I just want to put something on your radar because I talked about this every day on the channel. And I put this in a rising wedge when it first started. And I said to you guys that there's a measured move to this rising wedge, right? And it's the length of the price falling down. And that's the measured move right there. That was the measured move. Pretty damn close. So it wasn't a surprise to me when we hit 45K. Because that's the measured move of a falling wedge. And you know me, I'm a traditional guy who plays the traditional charts. And this says that this is a 68% chance that this will break to the downside. Now, once we bounced off of this support, I thought that was it. But bearish retest. We tried to get back into the pattern. We got rejected by the bottom of the pattern. See that? So you can kind of say this was the pattern. And when those are bearish retests. When you see that we try to get back in, but we can't, twice, we try to get back in a third time, rejection. Could have been a fib circle there. Could have been something else going on. Longer consolidation will hopefully result in an explosive move in some direction. Will it be up? It will be to the upside. We're forming this box now, So that's kind of, and if you watch my stream, go back to my streams, you'll see I kept giving you this measured move and said, and I said, it's going to likely, I said, there's a chance this could definitely happen. I said, I'm not feeling it, but there's a chance it could happen. Bro, what happens with Cake? Don't worry, man. Miss Mary Jane, Cake's doing his thing. If you ever hung up at JP basketball court, then I mess with you. If you ever hung at the JP basketball courts, there was one JP basketball court I used to play on down near the monument on the left. You pass the monument and you go on the left. It was just one though, across from the health food store. And then we used to play at the one up near Green Street. In Green Street. I used to go up there, man. My boy lived on Elliott Street, so I was always over on Green Street. His mom lived there, so we'd walk through, we'd take the orange line to Green Street, and we'd walk through that neighborhood back to his house sometimes. And, yeah. Man, the memories living in Boston. I'm so happy to be home, baby. So happy to be back in my hometown, man. Loving it. Shout out to 160 people watching on the live stream. Thank you guys for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time, guys. That is your time. I'm watching your rap videos. Yo, I love you, Kit, man. I love you, Kit. I'm happy we had our closeness. I call it closeness. We had some closeness yesterday. That was a good thing. Good things. Yeah, Green Street was a rough spot back in the day. You're right. It was. A lot of shootings, a lot of guns, a lot of drugs, man. How did Burger deal with this beatdown? It's probably a nice time to buy some Burger at 13.18. 13.18. How they say it in, it's funny how the Australians talk. 13.18. They barely pronounce stuff. Sorry, mate. Where do you live in Boston? West Roxbury, bro. West Roxbury, bro. Happy to have you back, bro. Happy to have you back. Yo, I'm so happy to be home, man. I'm so happy to be back in Massachusetts. Massachusetts. Sorry, I'm just, man. So Burger's going to eventually break out of this wedge. It's going to get oversold. Double bottoming up here. Higher lows. Probably a really good time to get into Burger. Doesn't seem like it's really looking at the rest of the market. And I think Burger's going to do some big things. Have a huge day one day. Funny how Binance Smart Chain had its day in the sun recently, right? Just everything rip. Let's take a look at where Bake's at and Cake's at. Funny, I saw a positional strength for Cake down at 29. It did. Wow, Cake went to 28.5, man. Honestly, I have a fractal on Cake that looks pretty damn perfect. Look at it. Look at it. Seems to follow exactly. Look, down, up, and then down with the wick. Where did I get this fractal from? Right here. From right here. Cake did the same thing. It was doing its thing. Bitcoin dump. Cake fought back through, got back into the pattern, and then eventually started to break on out. All right. Now Cake's kind of doing the same thing. There's your head, shoulder, head. Look for it to make the right shoulder. So shoulder, head, look for it to make the right shoulder at the bottom of the pattern. That's going to be your beautiful buy. So Cake will do all this fun stuff, in my opinion. It'll come up, it'll come down. You hear those little noises? Those are in the song. The song kind of adds ambient noise in the background, trying to lo-fi, tries to make you feel like, you know, you're there. So I feel it's going to come up, it's going to do this. That's going to be the perfect buy zone. This is a good buy zone because the head shouldn't, the next shoulder shouldn't get as low as where we're at. 31.34, really good time to get into Cake, man. Straya M8. Straya, mate. What's Straya? Straya. Damn, I should know, right? Sorry, mate. Where do you live in Boston? I don't like people knowing where I live in Boston, right? It's like, Boston's too small, man. Shout out to 166 people watching. Can we get up to 200 people, man? Even on this crazy day. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. We go over cryptocurrency every single day. We go over deep dives and gems. I go over anything you want on the charts. I'm basically a skilled technical analyst. I've been doing this for a long time, and have a bunch of tricks in my bag that can help you see things that you may not see. So when you throw me a super chat, ask me to go over your coin, maybe a good idea. It's like asking a plumber to come over and look at your pipes. Check out, just make sure everything's running right. Just make sure everything's running right. So Algorand, Adam is holding the 4,700 BTC. We got it at 3,600 BTC. And I just kept holding the faith that eventually we're going to start earning Bitcoin. We're going to start earning more Bitcoin against Bitcoin. And you know what? It's going to happen. This trade is still viable. Cup and handle still doing its thing. And it's actually in a bit of a flag here. One of the few coins that's really holding its level pretty nicely. So shoulder, head, and shoulder. That's an inverted head and shoulder inside of the flag if I've ever seen one. And all I do is play the same ones over and over again, no matter what happens with Bitcoin. Shoulder, head. Watch, I can clean this up. Or can I even? This is how good my brain is. Look, left shoulder, there it goes back to the head. There's the head, swings it back. There we go. Clean it up. Clean it up. Okay. Inverted head and shoulder. Inside of this, Atom BTC. I'm putting a call out for guys right here. Telling you, man. Inverted head and shoulder, Atom BTC. Here's your call, buy zone for Atom BTC. So even in this crazy times, the lifer comes out with a buy zone for you. Where is this going? All the way up. All the way up. Getting some love. Actually going to kind of straighten that out. I think we can get some more out of that. $116% gains from where we're at into the buy zone right there. Small buy zone. Maybe you'll get back to the bottom of the pattern. There's a chance. Accumulate in this area. Accumulate in this area, I'm telling you. Again, nothing I say is financial advice. Don't do anything I do on this channel. This is all for entertainment and speculative purposes only. Please get yourself a financial advisor before taking any trade or call. And make sure you do your own due diligence. Okay? Make sure you do your own due diligence. Shout out to all my 99s, man. Shout out to you guys. How's the room going? Guys, take a look at this tool for discovering new meme coins. It tells you how much percentage a coin has gone up in a small time frame. 15 seconds, 1 minute, 5 seconds. Unbelievable. Let's take a look at Monarch Render. And we're going to take this and we're going to bookmark this into the deep dive. Bookmark this tab for sure. The crypto deep dives. Done. Okay, Elongate Deluxe. Up 271% in 15 seconds. Up 2,700% in 5 minutes. Elong Deluxe. So look at this. Loco Moon, World of Waves, up 700% in 15 seconds. Unbelievable. And then it gives you the links to where you could buy this thing. So then you can start tracking it. Like this thing just Donkey King, donk. Interesting. 5 minutes is up 93%. Might actually end up doing something like that, right? This is pretty interesting. Like we could take a look at Donkey King. Should start making a move. In 15 seconds, it hasn't gone up. In 5 minutes, it's gone up pretty much. Save Shiba, up 35% in the last 5, it's starting to move. This is insane. This actually might get me crazed, bro. This is crazy. And it's changing all the time. Look, I lost Save Shiba. I wanted Save Shiba. Donkey King now. Shabaski. Internet Computer BSC. Interesting. That's pretty interesting, right? Elongate Deluxe. That's funny, man. In 10 minutes, it's up 1,000%. 10x in 10 minutes? Are you kidding me? So like ducking we might want to try. So you hit the link, brings you here. Where did you find this, man? This is insane, guys. We just became unbelievable people right now. Shout out to Nash for hooking us up. Everyone brings something to the table. Nash, really, really good point. Bringing this to the table. Like, you just earned yourself a huge, what do we call them? Like a badge of honor or something? I don't know, but this is huge what you just brought to the table for us, Nash. Thank you so much for doing that. Save Planet Earth, man. Looks like it's going to start making a bit of a move, which is interesting. I've been in Save Planet Earth for like a month. Puppets. $60 turn into $180 with puppets. Just stumbled upon it up on Reddit. So cool, Nash. So cool. Really appreciate that. So duck. Remember, I couldn't buy a damn thing yesterday, no matter how hard I tried. Right? Let's just try to I just gonna try this fun stuff, man. I don't think I can buy on PancakeSwap though. For me, it's just not working anymore. I don't know what it is. Oh, I don't think I signed in yet. No, I did. Price impact too high. Go back to 1%. Turn this to a 1. It was about to do its thing a second ago. Swap. 0.02. 0.2. So you can't buy a lot of this, I guess. There's like none of this. There's none of it. Let's go back to that site again and just keep flirting with it and see if we can pull off a win here. Rhythm Divine in 15 seconds. Are you kidding me? Like WeStarter, War. I like WeStarter. It's starting to move. So look, we go to WeStarter now. This is crazy. I know this is going to be unhealthy for me. Oh my God. I can't believe this. This is nuts. This is nuts. Let's take a look here. All right. Remember, contract address, you just put it right there. That's how you can load up anything you want here. It'll read it. Price impact too high. I just can't buy this stuff, man. Change the last digit to a 4. 4. Mess with more than this, or a 6. Mess with more than just the last trading 0. Get Nash a Lifer NFT that he can use for his profile. It's a girl. Nash is a girl.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I made a picture of a lion in school, and mommy says, do you want to go to eat at dinner outdoor?
You look tired. Were you up all night?
No.
You look exhausted.
Look.
Okay, hurry. I got people here. Oh, wow. This is really cool. I like this peaceful art where she pieces it out of pieces. This is really cool, bro. Like, this is actually really cool, Summer.
Problem is, mommy wants the picture. Different idea.
This is really, really cool. I want to make this an NFT, man.
Problem is, mommy wants the picture.
Shout out to Big Boy. Shout out to Big Boy. Light is breaking out right now. Is it fun? Is it really? Is it really? Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. My light, baby, my light that I bought with you. You call me to buy light after so much stuff. NFT alert. Make it into an NFT. So cute. Make it an NFT. NFT. She's got skills. Keep her doing alt. Switch to version 1. Thank you for saying that. Someone's still on it with me. Switching to version 1. This is an experiment, bro. We're going to experiment with like 50, 60 bucks on these. This is how you learn. We play with this stuff. So look, you just found something new on my channel like you do every day. Every day I find something new, so you're going to find something new if you follow me. Dojin Stealth X. Damn, man. I want one that just up a little bit. It hasn't made huge moves yet. Look, Void Shiba. We could have made 600% in 5 minutes. This is crazy. Moon Protocol, Local Moon. There's one called literally Shitcoin. It's called Shitcoin, bro. This is crazy. Moonlight. I like Moonlight. I just like that. I like that. Dude, Ulink versus up 4,000% in 15 seconds. Now it's back down. Now it's 4,000% in a minute. Are you kidding me? Void Shiba. This one's down finally. So I'm just gonna find a 0-1 and take a shot on it. I like the Wii starter for some reason. I don't know why. Let me take one. Look, Bull Mars. We'll take Bull Mars. Shiva Mom, whatever it is, right? Let's see what's going on here. The hell did I? Thinking, what did I eat last night, man? Jesus. Sorry. Just don't remember eating that much. I'm like, what? Okay, so try V1. We'll go to V1. Doesn't even let you use V1 anymore. Look. .3. It's actually a lot. It's $180. I forgot. So let's do 0.1. Let's just try with small amounts because we don't know what we're doing. Now I lost the when I went to V1. There's your contract address. It's in the browser, man. I'm trying to show you this stuff. It's in the browser. They attach it to the network connection browser there. I've been unable to use PancakeSwap for 2 days now. Other people telling me it's working for them. I got nothing going. I got nothing going. It's sad because it's my modus operandi. Like, it's where I rock out. It's my life. Pancake, like, I'm a full-blown pancake guy. All right, and to not... I'll go back to V2 on this, man. I don't know what else to do. You have to remember, too, we're so early, guys. We're so early. Swap away. Look at that. So we'll do 0.1, which is 60 blocks, and we'll see how this works. Make that a 6 and a 4. You shouldn't mess with more numbers than that. That's what I did. Check out the GUI. Could this be my first transaction on Pancake in a couple days? Let's see if it worked. Try increasing your slippage. I got nothing from PancakeSwap either. 4 days now. It's crazy, bro. Click the chart link on the right-hand side. Lots of those are rugs, bro. Be careful. Doesn't matter if it's a rug, bro. That's why we're putting 60 bucks in. We're just trying to see. We're trying to test something out here. I think I did. Nah, it didn't go through, man. It didn't. I still got the 3. Oh, it did go through. It did go through. Finally. We got a transaction, man. So look, we're going to add the token. BMARS. Add token. All right. And then we're just going to get ready to sell it, like literally in the next few minutes. You see what we're going to do here? We're going to try to see if you literally make percentages in the next minute or two. So look, we put 60 bucks in. Let's see what we can get out of this. Let's see if it works. Come on. Come on. It's insufficient liquidity. You might have to go to BNB. They might not have anything else. Yeah. So already got beat, right? We put 0.1 in. We lost 0.9, 0.01. Let this sit, and we'll come back to this in like an hour. See if it makes success. We're talking about the moonarch tool. Yeah. Yeah, moonarch, bro. 8 of 192. I've not been able to use pancakes for days. It's sad, man. I have to do 12 on something for it. Hey, guys, I got my transaction to work. You can see I actually used PancakeSwap live on camera, and I got my things in. I changed the 0-0s to a 6 and a 4. Shout out to Kit for hooking me up. Showing me what's good, man. Shout out to Kit. Thank you for doing that, man. Much respect to you. And that's why our team is strong, man. If I can't figure it out, someone in my gang can figure it out. Right? We're a strong group of people, man. We're not a weak group of people. Try increasing your slippage. I have to do 12 on some for it to work. Okay? Okay. A lot of these are rugs, bro. Be careful. They're all rugs, man. It's all a rug, bro. Save Space Spartan. That's something that's been struggling. But that's probably not the same Spartan coin. Dream Lambo. Elongate. So they got a POOCOIN chart on these single blocks. Spartan. Spartan. Wow, what a dump. Get involved in that. Moonarch. We bought Bull Mars, right? Bull Mars. That's what we were into. Whale Watch. Connect your wallet to see your tokens. Oh, that'd be kind of cool. Let's see that. I go to any wallet that can see tokens because every wallet seems to be a little different, which is funky, you know? I was lost in the dime. I was coming back and round. And what a sign, I was something for the sign. Safe bees. I like that. Bees. That works. See, that could pick up. That could pick up. 10 minutes up 1,000%. Unbelievable. No token found. Premium tier 2. So you gotta like pay. You gotta pay. Maybe not though. There you go. SafeMoon 37,000. Bonfire 32,000. 3,200. Saturna 1,700. Sushi. BRB Elongate 1,200. Tea Cake Moonshot 100x. 100x has been moving, man. Past few days. Put $200 in there. It's $800. Did a 4x on that. Watch token, light token hasn't done anything yet. ECP, we put 1,000. We lost 1,000 on ECP. There you go. I'll tell you my losses too, man. I put 1,500 in ECP. We're down. Remember Bitcoin, BC Station, SafeMoon. We got into Pubes for $200. It's got the same thing. We got into Pi for $50. It went to $200. Rixmoon dumped on us. Moon Pirate. That's just right where we bought it at. Hasn't done anything yet. Cummies is still kind. I put $300. Is 172. Risk Moon or Rocket Moon dumped on us. Kickpad B Mars $75. We could watch that now. Climb token got some TKO, BUSD, some Bake, some Mountain. Well, I think it shows you every single coin really nicely. The percentage that you're up. I actually like this. 55,000 in the wallet, all due to SafeMoon, man. Think about it. This should just be like, literally, this should say there's, if you take the 37, there should be like 8 grand in this wallet, 9 grand in this wallet. No lie. That's it. Shouldn't be 55K in that wallet at all. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely absurd, you know? But the numbers are different everywhere I go, man. The numbers are different everywhere I go. Yield Watch has a different value. Everyone's got a different value for my SafeMoon bag, man. You know? This is pretty crazy, though. These people are making hundreds of percent in 5 minutes. It's just crazy. Like Moon Protocol, we could have done them. We saw this 5 minutes ago. We could have done it. Elon Deluxe. We saw this 5 minutes ago. We could have made $208. But we would have lost 100% in 10 minutes. Very lucrative. Don't do what I do if you can't handle the pain. Look, we're making money now. Look at this. We're making money now. Look at that. Look, we made 30% right now because we got in for 1 and we got 1.3. So we're testing this craziness, man. And I guess don't put a lot of money in this, but dude, if you just keep putting $50, $60 at a time, making it to, if I 5 times a day I turn $50 into $500, bro, you can make a living on this if you kind of hone in on this right. I'm trying to tell you, there's so many different ways to make money in cryptocurrency, and you don't have to stick with one way. You can be creative. Find your niche. Like literally, there's so many ways to find yourself inside of this world. Find your niche. Look at me. I'm making the content. I'm producing. I'm creating a group. Like, and then we're also farming and doing all this. You know, there's so many ways to get yourself involved. Quit your job today. Jump into crypto tomorrow. Start right now. Look, 1.4. We're about to make 50% on this coin, bro. We're about to make 50% on this coin. You can see it's ripping. It's ripping. We just made 50% like that. This is cool, bro. And we're going to keep watching this. We're going to watch this. Let's see if we can make a 10x on this, man. If I can turn this into 1 BNB, how cool would that be on the live stream? Turn $60 into $600 on the live stream. And guys, you got to take a shot. You got to try things you can never, you know, I kept trying to use Pancake Swap even though it wasn't working for me yesterday. I did not give up. I did not give up, right? Never give up, guys. Never give up. Never give up. Never give up. I'm looking at the pixelation here. I'll try this one last time live, bro. I tried this live. Trying my green screen filter. It could be a little better, right? Oh no. What if I did the live stream like this and you guys were like, wow. And I was like, listen guys, we're gonna do an insane, I look like, if I keep my eyes open, it looks like I'm a cry. You ever watch that dude? I forget his name, but he's mad funny. He's like a comedian, and he plays like a crackhead. He's like, yo, man, I was out there the other day. I was up till like 6 in the morning, bro, and I was just like, Makes my teeth look mad white. Hey. So it should be at like 96. And it looks pretty good. But there's still, see, look. There's still some flickering. We go to 91. A little better. Smoothness. We go to 88. Flicks a little bit, right? So let me go to 96. Still a little glitchy. Guess I was at 84. Try to find the best place I could. Headphones do alright too. Still just some like, I just try so hard to make it perfect. I got all the lights, I got the green, I got everything I need, and I really think it's this camera just low, doesn't handle low light that well. I don't know what it is, man. Key color spillover too. If you got green, then you can take the green out. Might be a little better there. Then we got the contrast. We can go up or bright. It's actually a little better if I go brighter, right? Something like that. Brightness. And then the gamma. The gamma. You don't want too high gamma. I think the gamma was a little too high. That's alright. Bring it down. Bring the gamma down. There you go. I did custom too one day though. Oh, that changed on me. Interesting. Figure that out again. The other camera was custom. Still looks pretty good, right? I just want it to be perfect. Like perfect. Like absolutely perfect in every single way. Dude, we made 1.6. We're about to double up, guys. Look at this. 100%. 100%. Oh my God. Yo, this might work, bro. I might sit here and do B&B plays all day on this. Like, this is crazy. ChiaCoin Finance. Then I'll roll my profits into the next one and just keep doing it till one dumps on me, right? Yo, this is crazy. Discount coin. World of Waves. That's going to be hot. I think World of Waves is going to do well. Yo, this is moving, dude. I'm just excited for this. We just made $60, bro. Like, let's not lie here. We made $40 in the last 2 minutes. I mean, people work $40 an hour. We just made it in 2 minutes. You know? Interesting enough. I've just found another scheme in the game. It's crazy, man. Another way to get paid in this game, man. So many ways to get paid in this game. So many ways, bro. Stay on point. This thing is fast. Can be gone in a second, bro. Website, please. Website address. Approved token so you're not stuck when you try to sell. I like him. I like him for saying that. What a smart man, dude. I got a good team. Shout out to Crypto Dynasty, man. I love what you just said. Or Corey Long. He hit me up, actually. Corey, man. Oh, you both said it. I like it. So we sell? We sell? Do we sell? Can we sell? Not letting me sell now. Look. We approved it. What's going on? Pancake, man. Taking forever, bro. Look. Look at that. The website's Monarch. Monarch. I'll pull it right here for you. Moonarch. Alright, word. It got approved. And I could swap away with that win right now. Look, we just made it. We just kind of almost we made 50% so far right now. Right? It's not bad. It's not bad. We could do that all day. Check your pending in MetaMask under activity. You can see when it's done. No, it's done. I got the swap action. Things are working better on Pancake right now. Things are working all right. If we lose 0.1 Bitcoin, if we lose $60, we lose $60, right? Crypto Dynasty, yeah, when you said approve that coin as soon as possible, so you're ready to sell. Just watch the live stream. You could have learned what he told me right then by watching the stream. You see, I hit the approve button. You have to approve every token. You have to pay a percentage just to approve the token that you're going to actually get into. Minimum received is what you'll get after slippage. Yeah, we'll see. And I should be getting more tokens, right? If these are deflationary as well. So I could come up. Now, can I go back and search that same little coin again? That's what I'm trying to think. Or will it come back out? We bought Bull Mars. Save Shiba now. Look, 5 minutes. We could have made 600% in the last 5 minutes if I had just jumped on Save Shiba. So dodginess. Look, we'll do this next one. Doge Genius. We'll open up 2 sites. It's back to 1.3. Let's swap it out and see if we can get that profit. Because people are selling in a nanosecond. Had to give up on chain swap for now. Damn, I like chain swap. It's not working well? That's weird. Now we're up 30%. Not too great. I like this one that I just picked now. Again, don't do anything I do. I'm insane, guys. This is craziness. Just putting 0.1 in there. I'm playing a game here. I want to see if this works. We can actually scheme on if this high risk, right? Try to sell it on top. Well, I'll try to sell this one right here. 1.37. Yeah, you're right. Impossible, right? Change the slippage. You're right. Trying to get out is going to take a year. Probably can never get out. There's no liquidity. I might get stuck in these coins. There, we just made it so far. Let's see if that swap. Lifer went through the same on PancakeSwap. I put up the gas fees. BC trying to increase gas fees right now. Not sure if it's consolidating on a downtrend. Didn't feel like finding out. I'll go back later. Too much opportunity flying by. Crypto Keeper. I'm trying to see what he said up there. Killing me, bro. Please look at the chart first on the right-hand side and make sure it's not a honeypot or a rug pull before you buy in. Bro, it's 0.1 BNB, bro. Who gives a damn? Like, this is full-blown, you know. What happened there? Did it do him? Did it do him? I got it. Look, I got 0.35 BNB, baby. We just made money. We just made them. We just did them, bro. We just made 30% in literally under 3 minutes or 10 minutes. We did them, right? Here's the next one we wanted to get into was this little Dogecoin crap, right? Couldn't get me price impact too high. What does that mean? 12%. Oh, yeah, we're going to put a 6 and a 4 there. That was getting me. Swap away. It's changing the percentage, though. See, you're getting like... So just delete some zeros, bro? That simple? Oh, they don't got the liquidity. Yeah, you can't even buy this one. That one's not going to work. Save Shiba would have been a good one. We would have made 2,000% in 10 minutes. I mean, we would have turned that 0.1 into 2 BNBs. Karen Musk, that's mad funny, bro. Like, that's funny. Karen Musk, bro, that's hilarious. Like, Shiba Inu, that's the old one, bro. We know that one. Was this a fake Shiba Inu? Or is it the real one? Or is the... Here's one. Look. Carbon DeFi. I like that. Let's take a look at this one. I'm going to play this one right here. I think this one, I got a really weird feeling with this one. I don't know what it is, but Carbon DeFi. I feel like you wouldn't be rug pulling with stuff like that, but you never know. Let's see what we got here. Carbon DeFi. Oh, this one's expensive. Look at that. You can only get 98 of these for 0.1. It's a high-end coin, man. Shout out to everyone on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Thank you for hitting me up. Let's see what that was. Thank you so much for hitting me up, sending me a coin. Appreciate that. This is interesting, though. Look, Catecoin's up in the spot now. 5 minutes. Look, 150% in 10 minutes. 140. Kate, there's our baby, bro. There's our baby, man. Puppy. Someone got into Puppy recently and made a little bit of a dough. Puppy could start to move, actually. It's only up 10 minutes. It's about up 85%. But Save Shiba was the one, bro. We saw this 10 minutes ago. We would have made 5,000% gains on Save Shiba. Really would have happened. And, dude, there's a chance that that bull coin continued to go up. Like, I didn't need to sell it there. Look, Oshio. I like this one. OSHA. Let's play this one. 0.1 BNB, guys. Try here and there. Very lucrative. Half of them you can't even buy. I got lucky on the first one. Can't even believe it worked. Price impact too high. I don't get it. Carbon DeFi is solid. Kate, baby. Could we learn how to identify a rug pull or honeypot? Yeah, I mean, you can kind of just like, you want to like, I mean, honestly, I just research projects and go through the Reddit and make sure there's a team and make sure there's stuff going on. Guys, what I'm doing right now is for fun. Like, this is fun and games. Like, I'm playing games with $60, right? We're seeing we can turn $60 to $280, something like that. Catecoin just went up 33% in the last 15 seconds, starting to make a move. My old baby, Kate, baby, Kate. I think Kate's actually going to do more damage from where it's at. Like, Marnie token freaks me out, right? Kishu Inu, Safe Gold. Safe Gold might be a big move. It's kind of a nice 5 minutes up 68%. Leaf Finance just starting to make a move. But again, that Safe B. Yo, I liked bees. Remember I liked Safe Bees? Can I open this up so I can see more gainers? Or they just let me see this? Or once I pay them, it opens up. Is this just the example of what it is and I can see way more? Pit Game. Pets Moon 2. Dog Cat. Stocks Unstoppable. That's interesting. Triton token. Super hard to buy these, though, as you guys can see. Not every one of them's letting me even buy them. Something happened there. I must not. OX. There you go. See what I'm doing is the address goes up to the top there. I'm getting into Triton token and off the browser. It's a different Kate. I don't think so. I think that's the same coin. Totally understand the fun gamble. Just interested how to quickly check on the tokens. It's a different Kate, I believe. It might be. If at 12%, go to 30%. Yeah, that's crazy, though. That's kind of pointless, right? Like, you go to 30%. Nah, you're not going to get that. That's not going to be it. It's going to be just delete a 0, you know, and then you don't put a 1 there. That's what I've been doing. Swap away. There we go. Let's see. I want the 12, though. I really do. Okay, here we go. Here's another one. Let's see if we get it cooking. Yep, okay. At least 5%. That's not bad. We'll pay our gas. That one I didn't approve, which is weird. I guess I already approved, but... Alright. Now flip it. Max it. Look, it happened right there, so... I got it. Alright, so 0.9. Now we watch this, and we see if we can get this to like 1.7 again, and we get out. Same thing happened last time. We ended up making a move, so let's see. And see, we'll come back on this in a second. This is crazy, bro. Let this run for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, to a minute, 2 minutes. Triton token right now. Oh, this one's down now, but look, 5 minutes, 100%. Anything could happen. Oh, we're already down 10%, just like it said. And we could lose it all. We could lose it all. This is like penny stocks, bro. I believe this is the same. Let's see if it is CATEcoin. We'll know right now. Yeah, this is my baby Kate. Pretty sure that's her. A $3.7 million market cap. Is that how small she is? No. Look at all those buys, bro. $1.94, 94 cents, $1.20. People buying 18 cents, 4 cents. Come on, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. So this one's tanking on us. We're losing now. We're about to lose what we made. This is crazy. This is more like a video game for me. Let's get back into the realness. Honeypot, no one can sell. Sam, I put moonarch in the chat a couple days ago when someone asked how do people find meme coins. Yeah, I remember seeing that. Ooh, you want a cookie, bro? You want like a little pat in the back? You want me to like shake your hand and like pick you up and hey everybody, it was this guy. I'm sorry. Dogefather just listed on CoinMarketChat's billboards in New York and London. More huge news coming. Yeah, you've been pushing Dogefather on us for a long time. It's the wrong CATE for sure. 15 cents, people throwing everything they have into CATE. 15 cents, bro. No, let's go look at the real CATE, though. The CATE coin. CATE.io. There's the real CATE coin. With a $300 million market cap and total supply, let's take a look at what's happening with CATE. Struggling a little bit, right? Came up, came down, but nice trajectory, honestly. Trajectory. Nice trajectory. Bam, there we go. It's going to break to the upside, too, with the length of that pole, and it's running out of room, man. And it's getting higher lows, bro. Unbelievable. Lower volume with lowering price. We're going to have a reversal to the upside. This is going to be a big winner for us. I believe we're going to be able to make a killing on this, guys. That's why I'm going to sell this for 30K, man. I'm going to turn $300 into 30K, bro. This is going to be a winner for me. I know it. 100X in this puppy, man. I would rather a metal. Okay. Okay. Hey guys, if I make these chains out of silver and I make them with these exact silver ounce coins with a Native American head, would you guys purchase these for like $500 to $600 a piece? It'd be something you would actually like to wear. I don't know. I just think it's really. I love it. I love it. Most reflective metal on Earth. You know another reason why I wear it, guys? Here's the main reason. Silver is antimicrobial. It kills germs. All right. Silver kills germs on touch. Watch this. You could use it as money during a pandemic because germs can't live on it. How silver's antimicrobial technology fights against bacteria. So when you wear silver around your neck, when you wear silver around your body, it's harder to get sick. So I wear.
Contaminates the
this
surface.
See?
Step 2. Silver ions are available to act against contaminating bacteria.
Silver ions.
Step 3. Silver ions act against bacteria. They combine with bacterial proteins in the cell and cell wall, interfere with DNA replication, and promote formation of reactive oxygen species.
They eat up the bacteria.
4. Bacteria die. The wall is cleaner and more hygienic to use.
That's why you clean with silver, right? That's why people take colloidal silver. That's why silver is important. Silver is the most, people don't realize silver conducts electricity better than gold. Watch. People think gold is the best conductor of electricity, but that's not true. Silver conducts electricity better than gold, better than any metal on Earth. Actually, it may be copper actually, but silver is not only a better conductor than gold; it's the most conductive metal there is. Gold comes in third place, well behind copper. Gold is unlike copper and silver and does not tarnish, and which is why is it often used to plate other conductors. Which is a better conductor, gold or silver? What is the best? I learned this 3 years ago. For 10, 20 years of my life, I would tell people dead in the face that that gold was the best conductor of electricity. Bacteria is good for you. Certain bacteria, yeah. Actually aid of forming a symmetrical triangle on the 5-minute. Yay. Let's take a look at Cardano starting to make a move. But I would accumulate Atom BTC in this range where we're at right here. That would definitely be my accumulation range for Atom BTC. Breaking on up and going to the upside. It's starting the beginnings of the formation of the pump outside of a cup and handle. So only a matter of time for Atom BTC to continue to the upside and break up and blast off. You know what I'm saying? Crypto moonshots and moonarch. So we have another one though, crypto moonshots too. We could use that to our advantage as well. What do you think of bringing the new merch out? Honestly, today I'm gonna go to the merch place and send something over there. Probably in like by Friday. I think by Monday morning we'll have merch. Next week, sure. Sometimes next week we'll have some merch. Doing damage coins, doing damage shirts, some bunch of other stuff that I like. Yeah. Is Elon Musk Bitcoin crash over? Let's see. Cardano, ADA. That's what happens when you see a big pump. You got to go to a smaller time frame. See what this guy said? He said on the 5 minute. You're like, why is he on the 5 minute? Well, he's on the 5 minute because you're checking out what's going on. ADA BTC, baby. ADA BTC. Look at it. Beating Bitcoin like you read about. Kicking Bitcoin's butt. And I told you guys right here, this is a trade I gave you guys, and it's forming out. Look, buy zone, which is now. All right, shout out to anyone that took this call, my ADA BTC call. Unbelievable. So, even on a red day, I get to celebrate a call I made, and it's all the way up here. 71% gains if you took my ADA BTC call. Shout out to my crew, man. 71% gains so far. Congrats, man. Congrats to my crew if you took the ADA BTC call when I put it out there. Buy zone, which is now. Told you the cheapest. Look, I gave you the exact bottom right there. The exact, unless you got down there. But then when it started to break out, I said, there's your buy zone right there, man. Get into ADA BTC. And boy, was I completely right. Stop loss never got hit. Got very close, though. Look. But after that wick line, that's why we put the stop loss. So the stop loss was because of that wick line. It's not like we put the stop loss here. That had already occurred. Man, this made you some coin. This made you 71% in Bitcoin. So if you put a Bitcoin in here, you ended up with 1.7 Bitcoins. ADA BTC, man. ADA BTC. Unbelievable call. So that's why you stick with me, guys, on the reddest days of reds. On the coldest of the colds. Still catching a win. Still catching a win with the crypto lifer. So ADA BTC. Congrats to my peoples. And honestly, this is a trade I would hold, bro. I would hold. I'm going to take a little profits now as it's starting to move, but this is good, man. ADA BTC, congrats to my peoples on ADA BTC. Now we take a look at the 5 minute chart, see if it's flagging like he said. Yeah, and it formed a bit of an ascending triangle, formed a bit of a bull pennant here, and then decided to break on out. Bam. And ADA BTC, man, still looks like it wants to hit the target all the way up here at about 51,000 Satoshi. So shout out to ADA BTC doing your thing. Shout out to ADA BTC, man. Ren BTC just flat. It's been flat for this at the same price for literally like a year. Like it feels like it. Just sitting flat forever, man. So strange. So strange. AAVE, man. Beast mode. Look at this AAVE trade. Look what patience does for you. Look at this. I bought this on 12/31, the last day of the year. The last day of the year, man. I bought into this for $84. Right? I put in $1,500 in USDT. And now it's what? Now it's up $7,000. So now it's about it's about $9,200, right? So we turned $1,500 into $9,200 in AAVE, man, in AAVE. And I have some more AAVE. I bought more AAVE too. So that wasn't my only position, but just holding this, man, showing you guys, look, January, February, March, April, May. It will take 5 months, but I'll make 500%. So I made 100% a month. I mean, that's a damn good return. If I told you I was going to make you 100% a month, I think you'd be pretty damn happy about it. I think you'd probably let me manage your money. So there's a beautiful call right there, man. And that's what patience does for you. And we're going to get to $1,000 a coin for sure. For sure. XRP got in $500, right? Turned it into $2,500, up 400%. But it took, look, 3 months. Got in at 121. This REEF call got into near the end of February. Very small amount for my buddy. He just wanted to kind of dabble in cryptocurrency. There's the Atom BTC call that I'm holding. I told you I've been in it for a long time. Look, I ladder in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 buys. There's a Phantom BTC call up 500%, right? Up 50%, up $500 on both calls. Okay, Kava BTC up. So playing against these BTC pairs, man. Ren BTC has done nothing for me, and my TVK trade is just in the dumps, down $1,000. Can you believe that? Down $1,000. I like to show my losses too. I don't always win. I opened this on 311. I will hold this until July. I will hold this until July, and then I will sell it off. I will not take a loss if I don't have to. Let's take a look at that crazy trade we made. Down already. So that one didn't work. We lost what we made already. So, you know, extremely risky, crazy plays, right? Just kind of something fun to look at. But damn, it's like we would have made 2,000% on Doge Lightyear in 5 minutes. If we chose any one of these, it looks like we would have made it. I chose the wrong one. Damn. What are the odds, man? Oyster Coin went up 400% in 5 minutes. So here, you got to take it. WeStarter probably will go high. I mean, it looks like it would be pretty cool. 30 minutes, they're down, though. Look, 30 minutes, a lot of them are doing nothing. So even though in 30 minutes we haven't seen yet. So a long deluxe, bro. That right when we saw that, we should have gotten in. We would have made up 500% already, right? We saw that when we first started this. We should have gotten into that immediately. Thank you so much for the subscriptions, man. Much respect to everyone jumping on into the Crypto Lifer community. Really loving it. I'm hurting my back a lot. I got to start doing something with my back. I'm going to create serious back pain soon, and I'm doing it to myself, and it's not good because I'm slouching, and I've been slouching for 2 months now, editing and sitting in this chair, live streaming. I got to find a better chair. What is a good gaming chair, guys, for the back? Best chair for back support. And it's funny, a lot of these big gaming chairs, they don't seem to be like the ones for back support. This is the chair I have right here. That's the chair I have. See this one? I have this chair.
Let's get started. Eurotech IOO chair with a rating of 78 out of 100. And at first glance, it can be easily mistaken for the ErgoHuman series, specifically with the very pronounced lower lumbar support system. When upright tasking, this offers medium to medium strong support and is really good for those users that like to cheat forward while typing.
I cheat forward while I'm typing all the time, man. It's not good. It's the way the desk is. I gotta be back here. I'm gonna get a new table that I can move up and down, all that stuff, man. Why not? Why not? This feels a little better, man. Yeah, I've just been in pain, man. You gotta sacrifice for everything you do in life, man. Nothing comes easy, nothing comes free. The second someone tells you something is free and easy, get the heck away from them. My dad always said that, you know. Hey, Sam, just a heads up that the beginning moon... Hold on. GTR racing chairs are horrible. They make you curve your posture, really bad for your back. I had one for a while. None, son. You need that GTR racing. Feel like one of their... But this is just said they're the worst. So you guys just... It's not the chair. Get a lower one or a higher desk. Interesting. Herman Miller is tight. Secret Lab Titan. Yeah, good thing to do if you could stand at your computer. I'm late, gang, but we'll catch up. Sam, what's the word? Shut up. I like my Lazy Boy Delano. Lazy Boy Delano? Lazy Boy Delano. Ooh, that looks nice. It's too much, though. It's like...
Heavier said it's like the best, so I thought I'd give it. Those are found to be.
Herman M. Logitech is amazing. Great ergo chair. Herman Miller Logitech is amazing. Hold up. Herman Miller. Oh, that's what you were saying. I'm like, who the heck is Herman Miller? All right, this is what I'm getting. I already see it. Do you buy, not buy? The $1,500 though? No way. I'm not spending $1,500 on a chair. It's not gonna happen. I don't care if I was worth billions, bro. $1,500 on a chair?
X Logitech Embody gaming chair. Much like the original Embody, it's a premium office chair that uniquely uses a skeleton pixel structure to support you throughout the day. Beyond the purely cosmetic changes,
this is pretty good.
Blue accents and Logitech branding.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to stand up throughout it, you know. I'm getting an uplift desk for the new trading room. Yeah, me too, man. Let's just buy an uplift desk today, because I won't do it if you guys aren't with me. Let's just buy it right now. Let's get the right desk. Let's buy it right now. Let's do it. We'll help you get their uplift desks. Experienced buyers, joy. What a smarter way to pay. Buy what matters most. We're getting in. Are these the best? I gotta sign in just to buy one of these? Hold on. It's the end of the stream, guys, so I'm just hanging out. We're going to buy an Uplift desk together. Upliftdesk.com. Uline. I already see him on Uline. All right. What's the best one, Kevin? I think you might have one. I like the wood grain, personally. I think I'll pay for the wood. It just looks nice, man. Nice looks like updated left of the site. Don't sit for hours. Horrible for your back. It's your spine you're spending it on. I'm in medicine. $1,500 or you're back. Your call, Chief. Man, that chair better come with a happy ending for $1,500. Uplift, son. Oh, they got a bunch of different ways to keep the desk. Ooh, do I want wood? I like the dark wood. I like this too. I like that. I like that. I like this look. I think that would be fun for me. Ooh, that's nice too. Ooh, the curve here, I kind of like this. So you can get up in there. I kind of like the curve. Don't I want the curve, guys? So I can really like be kind of in there a little bit. I picked the bamboo top. I also picked V2 frame legs as opposed to the commercial version. Why is that? Why'd you pick the V2? How big is the desk? You know? Oh, that's a nice size. I think that should be good enough. What do you think of the curve? I think I should get the curve. Or you can convert your desk. These things suck. I've seen these at the office and stuff. I don't like that stuff. It goes up and down. It's not cool. This, I could just raise it up, and then I can stand up. Just make sure my cords are long enough. Yeah, Kia got some great tables that look awesome. No bears allowed. I picked the bamboo top. The stream ended, guys, basically at 11:30. I'm here kicking it with you guys, you know. I will go over anything you want. We'll double check stuff, but we'll go over it. Damn, man, we lost subscribers. We hit 70. We lost 10 subscribers. No, it said we got to 7,120 people, and then now we're back to 190. It's kind of sucks. We lost 10 subscribers. No, that's not true. We're at 721. We gained 20. 3 comments is definitely worth using, man. I like the crossbar on the commercial for kicking my feet up when I'm sitting at the uplift. I like the crossbar for the commercial. I'm still trying to find the different ones, man. Shop all desks, standing desk converters. Well, standing desk. 30-inch deep. Oh, so you can get the frame and put anything you want on it. Which is interesting. $549. Uplift standing desk, V2 and V2. What's the difference between V2 and V2 commercial? What's the difference? Parastoro gaming desk. Let's see what he said there. Nah, that's whack. It's too much. This month, my landlord said I can pay him in crypto. That's pretty cool, bro. You're lucky, bro. I'm fiat broke. Well, hey, check out Parse Cornered Gaming Desk. I took a look at it. It's all right. Nah, it's not what I'm going for this uplift look here. Custom laminate. Why is it so much more expensive? $849. There's a whole corner desk there. Kind of nice. Stick it in the corner and then rise up and have 2 computers and 2 different things. Build one would be a nice side project. Yeah, show me the time I got. Thanks for your content. Thoughts on Dent ARPA win, please. XOX. Katie Nahone. Shout out to Katie. Shout out Dent ARPA win, please. You look like a beautiful woman, and I'm a weak man. And so I probably will do it for you, even though you didn't give me a super chat. Get my uplift desk this weekend. I'm stoked, bro. That's pretty cool, man. Crypto Keeper, VanCat, please. TA, and a quick look at the site. Crypto Keeper, let's take a look at VanCat. I would do a corner desk if I had the space. I kind of have the space right here. I could go in the corner, and I'd have the whole setup and just be able to do my thing, right? Solid wood. So if I buy that solid wood, I'm paying that heavy duty money. That nice. Oh, look, a ping pong table, bro. That's crazy. I could just take this top right off and put it on that and just pay $49 for the bottom, because this looks like it'd fit the one I got going on here. Help pay for this desk and put the coin on the map as I get beat. Let's see what happened with that other crazy coin. 0.5 now. Triton. Lost 50% in 2 minutes. But we're only down 0.2, remember, because we gained that 0.3. Agrello DLT, man. Let's take a look at what he's talking about here. VanCat. You guys put VanCat on my radar like 2 weeks ago. It's something about it. I was just like, VanCat. Probably should have grabbed it. Down 28% today. Let's see what's going on with it. Up 80% in 30 days. 14 days up 139%. 7 days up 191%. Not 2x. VanCat token. Let's take a look at what's going on with VanCat. And we will look at it on a different, on like a POOCOIN chart. That's not, we're not gonna stop there on the TA. All right. VanCat platform allows users to easily deposit BEEP20 tokens into an NFT. VanCat token is a governance token of the platform. Buy on the Bitmart. It's already on Bitmart. Buy on PancakeSwap, listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Circulating supply, 465 trillion. They've already burnt 535 trillion tokens. How do they burn more than the circulating supply? I guess they had 120 trillion all locked up. Interesting. About VanCats and VanCat platform. VanCats are a distinctive land race of domestic cat found in the Lake Van region of eastern Turkey. They are relatively large and have a chalky white coat, sometimes with a ruddy coloration in the head on the hindquarters. Coloration on the head and hindquarters. And have blue or amber eyes, or have heterochromia, having one eye of each color. Heterochromia. Yeah, it's having 2 eyes of the same color. A different color. It's thought that there are around 25,000 VanCats in existence. 250,000. Non-fungible tokens are a special type of cryptocurrency token which represents something unique. Non-fungible tokens are thus not mutually interchangeable. We choose VanCats for our platform because they are unique as NFTs. Interesting. Ooh, look, now we're coming back. 777. Interesting. Now we're at break even. I think we're going to double up on these things, man. These are crazy. They're so small. I mean, I think the odds of you making money are pretty high because you're quicker than most people. And we're on this stuff. Shekel coin. I love that. A shekel coin. Look, BSC Moon, we would have made 600% in 5 minutes. 15 seconds, we would have made 800% in 15 seconds. This is real deal, man. You can't beat this stuff. Garuda. This is awesome. Like, this is... Oh, man. I could see myself doing this just bored. Like, most people play video games. I'll just be doing this over and over again until I hit one hard. Hard. Look, we're back to break even, and now we're starting to make a bump. Bought POOCOIN. Watch it rise as well. Watching it rise as well. POOCOIN. Lifer, what website is that? Moonarch. Yeah, Moonarch. I pasted it in the comment section. Found me a used uplift for $250. Order a bunch of accessories for it. Where did you get a used uplift desk? Hold up. You go to Craigslist and look for an uplift. You go to Craigslist, man. I go to Craigslist a lot. I'm trying to sell a car on Craigslist right now. I'm having trouble doing it. Just sitting in my. If anyone wants a 2010 Honda Civic and you live in my neighborhood, I'm trying to get it off, man. I don't need that much. It's like an $8,000 car, $7,000. I'll take $5,000-$6,000 for it. It's got 78,000 miles and it's brand new. Like, it's brand spanking new. I mean, it looks, an old guy kept it perfectly and never drove it. So I have it sitting on my driveway right now. I'm trying to sell it. Bought Netflix coin. Been seeing a 7 lot lately. 777 specially. I just 2x off Doge Lightyear. LOL. There you go, bro. I spent $1K on my desk with accessories and a stool. I bought POOCOIN. Watching it rise as well. What are the accessories you can get? Why is it so hard to go to Craigslist, bro? It's just so weird, man. They know what I'm trying to. They know where I'm trying to go. Craigslist, bro. This is so strange. There you go. Craigslist, Boston. Moving desk, right? If that even makes any sense. Look, there's an uplift right there. Standing van desk with cable management. $550. I mean, he's out of his mind. That's too small. I need one bigger than that. That's not going to work for me. He's overcharging me. I get a nice one. Basement clean out sale. He's selling a Rolex, huh? No. This is a replica. Well, get the hell out of here. What the hell you selling fake jewelry for, man? Nice solid wood desk right there. I like those desks with the X in them, whatever. Westco desk mover heavy. I gotta change it up, man. My back. I gotta do something for my back. I really do. I gotta finish the super chat for Van Cat. My bad, man. Sure, it's 1 to 5 for now, but that car will depreciate, and ADA will do the opposite. Thoughts? Yeah, I'm trying to sell the car, bro, for Cardano, for a cryptocurrency, man. What the heck? You know what I'm trying to do. Van Cat. Wow, low volume on this already. I thought it would have more volume by now after all the people talking about it. It's actually doing pretty good. Took the dump, took the pump, took the dump, took the pump. Higher lows, making its way on out. Looks pretty promising, actually, in a giant bull. If you were closer, I'd take the car. I'll drive it to you, bro. We can figure it out, man. $5,000 for 2010 Honda Civic, man. In perfect condition. Perfect condition. I got back on. What BC token are we looking at today? Been missing out lately. We're getting kind of crazy with this stuff, but CATE looks like it's still got legs to go, man. If you want to make a nice 10x, CATE. It's really holding its level really good. We got in it like 4 days ago when it first came out, so it's 5 days old, bro. It's got good liquidity. It's got good movement. The chart dumped, obviously, like most, but it's sitting in a nice spot, like it's holding a hard support region, and it's getting. Look at the whales buying this up, turtles buying this up. There's a whale. There's a shark right there. 1,400. There's a whale. He just put $8,000 in this puppy. So you can see people are buying this thing up pretty hard. Yeah. I like CATE.io, bro. And it's actually a real project. CATE. Catecoin. It's a real project where, you know, it actually will pump with its own ergonomics, you know, tokenomics, so to speak. You might prefer the large Parasite MIDI dual game desk. The large Parasite MIDI duo. Dane, let's see. Dane, do you work for them? That would be if you do, you're a smart man. You went through live streams just telling people what to buy. Parasite Mini duo game. I just don't like all the boxing and all the I don't like all the stuff around. You know? Just not a fan of all this extra crap. You know? Needs a K. You might prefer Lifer. I am serious is a heart attack, by the way. Crypto Keeper. No, 1,300 ADA for the car and shipping. You want the car for 1,300 ADA? I'll take it right now, without even thinking about it. Actually, that's 1,300 ADA for the car and shipping. 1300 ADA for life. Honda Civic. But hold on. Yeah, but I want to pay you got to pay me the real value of the car. You got to pay $5,000 in Cardano. I'm not going to take, it's just, come on, man. Let's get real. I'd rather take $5,000 in cash. Like, let's get real, man. Come on, man. 8 is 180, 190 today. Let's say 192, we hope. So you got to give me 2,600 Cardanos, bro. Don't play games. Don't play games. You send me 2,600 Cardano, the car's yours. It's that simple. It's that simple. Shipping a car is like $700. Yeah, it's not that bad. 5K in bake. Yeah, I'll take the bake all day long. Just let me know, man. Actually, let me see if I can find the listing. It's probably not on there anymore. (2010) Honda Civic. And Google might find it. Might have taken my listing down. It was clean though. Put it out a month ago. How long do these Craigslist ads run? They may not run long enough. I don't see the ad anymore. Looks a lot like this one though. It's gray. It's this exact color, and it's in basically in perfect condition, just like this color. But I have way less miles on it. So like this one's got 198 and they want $4,000. Mine's got 78,000 miles on it. An old dude, my mom's friend knew a guy who died and he handed her the car, and I had moved home and she gave me the car. So I have it sitting here doing nothing, man, and I want to turn it into a Tesla. The idea would be to sell the car, invest that money, and then turn whatever the money that goes up into a Tesla, and then buy a Tesla with the car. You know? What's your thoughts on Caboose currently? Let's take a look at it on the chart and see what's going on Dex Guru, right? And find out how we feel about it. Market's coming back a little bit today, all right? So things are creeping back. My accounts are kind of creeping on back. We got 4,000 back in the account since we started the live, so not to stress. Life is good. Life is good. Life is always good if you're alive. People are dead out here, man. People have died, right? But for crypto, we got to negotiate as if we appreciate the future value of the coin. No, because I know the future value of the coin is going to go up. Keep the Honda, stack the money. Keep the Honda? No, sell the Honda, stack the money. Keep the Honda, stack the money. Why would I keep the Honda and just drive the Honda around? I see what you're saying. Just keep driving that Honda for the next 10 years, right? Who cares? Keep driving that 2010 Civic and just stack. Hey, I could never sell that and just keep running it until it runs to the ground, run it 10 more years. I just wanted to be more economic. Like, I wanted to have an electric car so I didn't use gas. Like, I wanted to make a statement and have an environmentally friendly car, you know? But I like your idea, man. Just keep pushing the... I lease a Honda Santa Fe. I lease a Hyundai Santa Fe, which I absolutely love. I love my Santa Fe. Like, I love it. Like, honestly, one of the best cars that ever out there, man. This is like a sick car, bro. I love my Santa Fe in blue. It's in blue. It looks great. I got the nicer model. This is my car right here. I love this car. I really do. It has lane assist. It has some of the highest tech out there in the game. Lane assist. It actually takes control of the wheel when you're on curves on the highway. Thing has, when you come up with stuff in your hand and you get behind the back, the lift gate opens up automatically with a 4-second timer. The rear view mirrors tell you when there's a car next to you and blink when your blind spot's full, and they actually light up so you can never turn into a blind spot. Like, the car is unbelievable. The car is unbelievable, man. I'm telling you. Super dope. I love it, man. Honda Santa Fe. I've done so much good things, and I never thought I would be a freaking Hyundai guy, bro, but this car has held me. And I lease cars every 3 years. I lease a new car, and I write it off on my business. I've been doing it for a long time, for 10 years. So every 3 years, you get into a new car, right? That's kind of how I like it. And then, I've never been to a mechanic. I've never had to do brakes. In 10 years, I've never had to do brakes, mechanic. A couple oil changes, a few little maintenance things here and there, and I'm done, bro. You know? Hyundai owns Boston Dynamics. That's funny you said that. Looking to buy a new car since my current one was hail damage totaled. Damn. Looking for EV car suggestions. Mr. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Pepe Moon is the second greatest meme of all time. Let's go. This guy trader or retard. Look at this. That's the name. That's his name. Trader retard. Pepe Coin, bro. Thank you so much for coming on into the live stream and giving us your new cool idea here for Pepe Coin. Oh, this guy. I noticed all the money you make. You are very frugal. Mr. Dogecoin Shiba. Honestly, man, I like to be comfortable. Like, I'm going to put a nice jacuzzi in the back of my house and still drive a little Civic. Like, other guys want to drive a car so everyone knows how nice their car is, and then they go home and they're uncomfortable. No, I'll be so comfortable at home, but you don't have to see my bread. You don't got to see really what I'm doing. I'll show you guys the money here because I want to inspire you guys to reach for the stars. And I want to show you guys that crazy stuff is happening to everybody in this market, and we got to just believe that good things are going to happen. So that's kind of why I show you like the SafeMoon money and stuff. And honestly, there's no one to share it with. I can't go outside and show these people this money. That's rude, right? They're not in crypto. They don't understand. So like you guys are the only outlet I have to kind of be like, hey, look at all the money I have. And then kind of I get it out of my system and I can move on from there, right? And yeah, I'm the comfortable at home and drives awesome cars guy. Is that Shiba drop for real? Right? I feel you. Pause. I want it all. I want everything. I want to have it all. I want it all. Or nothing at all. Is this how it ends with a broken telephone call? Cardano is like the one. You know what happens is too, when the market's down and something's ripping, people just keep jumping into it. It's like the ship that doesn't want to sink. Everyone's like, I'm going to take that ship and run it. I showed you this double bottom and I said to buy the breakout of this area right here. And had you done what I told you to do, we'd be up. And again, don't do what I tell you to do. But watch 8 if it breaks this line is what I said. And what did it do? It broke the line, right? And what did it do? It came down for a retest. That was your entry at 187. It really was. I don't think you're going to get ADA any cheaper now than $2. ADA is on its way, my friend. ADA is on its way. Mr. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, Peep Moon. Come on, man. Now you're going to get muted. Sorry. Hide user. Still get you landed on the heliport on the SafeMooner yacht. Yeah, I'll be there. I'll come on in there. Dent, Arapa, and Win. Shout out to Kate Noonan for the $5 super chat. Kate Nahone. Dent, Arapa, and Win. She wanted it bad, so she went for it. I got it. I got that. I got it. Okay, let's take a look at Dent. Now, I put Dent, we've been over Dent recently for you guys. Dent had a horrible pullback, right? Beautiful pump, horrible pullback back to the 706. The 786, sorry, 78% retracement, double bottoming here now. It still is in a bit of a downtrend. It needs to make a higher low here. Let's take a look. There's our low. That low is actually higher than that low. So far, so good. As long as we continue not to make a lower low, then this will be in a new trend and start to make its way up. This is accumulation zone where you'd like to get in. It got faked out on the breakout, came back down with a rounded top. Now we want to look at the daily and the 4 hours, see how much room it has. Daily is oversold. This is a good sign. This definitely want to start accumulating things in this nature. Am I buying Dent? Do I like Dent? No. Do I want anything to do with Dent? No. Is Dent in my portfolio? No. Will I buy Dent tomorrow? Probably not. Of the thousands of coins, there has to be a few coins that I just don't buy, and Dent is one of them. I'm sorry to say that I'm not really aligned with your Dent call here, but I will go over it, and I'm not saying it's not viable. So oversold here on the daily. Let's go down to a 4 hour. 4 hour actually has room to go too. A little bit of, there's bullish divergence there established. Swing down to swing down. Right? And then we have, this does swing down, but as I teach my students, and I double click in here just to make it perfect. Now this does swing down, but I tell my students, the angle is not as steep as this angle. It's divergence, and that is divergence. We should see a break to the upside. That may be where you want to add to the trade, and if you're still in the trade, I believe you can hang out till we get back to the all-time high and break out. So don't worry if you're in Dent. Things will look up. Things will look up. But we're definitely down to the dumps there. But we're making our recovery. Okay, ARPA. Now, I had it in this falling wedge. It did not take that falling wedge, right? Fell on out of it. Now, right off the bat, right away I see here on the 4-hour, as I see bearish divergence. We have swing up to swing up here on the price, swing down to swing down on the oscillator. Tells you that the price will probably drop. And what happened? The price did drop. Then we have our double bottom here, though. Kind of a similar idea following Bitcoin, right, on the USDT pair. They're all going to follow Bitcoin, what Bitcoin does. Bit of a head and shoulders pattern too, bit of a double bottom as well. Do we see any bullish divergence in the smaller section here? Nah, not perfect. We do. Let's go to the 30-minute. We might see some bullish divergence now. Yeah, a little bit of bullish divergence there. Not perfect, but there is some bullish divergence there. Any thoughts on Sol? I read that Kevin Smith was utilizing it for his NFT art and potentially using it to go forward for his films. I mean, Kevin Smith is an awesome guy. What a really cool dude. If you don't know who Kevin Smith is, another Massachusetts guy. Shout out to Kevin Smith, man. Repping my state, man. But, yo, swing down to swing down, swing up to swing up. Tells us Arapa might actually kind of find its chi here and start to move to the upside. So, let's go to the 1 hour and see what we have going on. I don't like these double tops. It's very bearish. There's a chance we do come back down and test this previous high for ARPA. Under a penny. Still doing good. Let's see if it's oversold in the 4 hour. And, it's oversold in the 4 hour. Starting to make a move. Yeah. So it should come on up. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is extremely oversold, overbought. So it tells me that this might actually continue either sideways or go to the downside up until tonight. So I'd wait for it till like 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight. Give it 9, 10 hours. That will reset. Then the 4 hour, the daily, and the 1 hour all will be in your favor. And that's kind of where you might want to get into the trade. So let's make a shape and see where it's going to come down to, because it looks like it may actually do that. So you're going to want to buy this in this zone. If you want to reestablish a position, or if you're holding, I'm not sure. But this is where you really want to enter the trade, based off the bullish divergence in the lower part of the pattern. Where is this going? Well, I believe it's going to find its way out of the channel, continue through that through this, and then till the rest of the market recovers, it's going to go up to the upside. So ARPA, there's your buy zone for ARPA right there. That's where I would make my aggressive buy for sure. And I see it getting all the way up to about 23 cents from 8 cents. There's a 3x coming out of there, right? That's the best super chat you ever spent your money on. 185% gains for ARPA. Bam. Thorough. Now you want another one? 3 for 1 super chat? Damn, you're working me, Kate. You're working me. Kate wants what she wants, man. She don't care. I appreciate that. I like that. Okay, let's take a look at what's going on here. Oh, we got soccer practice for the kids today. So win, man. I thought it would definitely start to ball out. Can't believe it's falling into this downtrend. Getting a little nasty, huh? Getting a little nasty. High or low, though. Everyone has this rounded top with Bitcoin. They got rounded off. But again, this will be your buy zone, bottom of the trend line, on its way back up to the top. Again, 1 hour for a lot of these coins is a little spent. Something funky going on there. But the 4 hour on the daily's in our favor. Extremely oversold, ready to rock to the upside. So, tells me that this is our accumulation zone for a win, and eventually it's going to make it up to the upside, all the way back up here to about 0.3%, 0.03%. I'd hold win throughout the bull market. It can't be bad. How do you see ADA in the long term? Do you see it turning into $100 in 5 years? I mean, I don't know, man. It's such a winded question. Let's just start with this bull run. I think we can get to $7, $8 ADA. And when ADA hits $5 by the end of the year, you can stake it for more gains. You'll thank me. I can't wait, man. Lifer, if you respect Ferengi Great Material Continuum, 1 red paper clip, then you respectfully trade that Honda Civic for 1,000 ADA, plus 300 ADA for the shipping. Never, bro. Never. Why would I trade something for lower than the market value? That makes no sense. That's like me charging $2 for my tutoring sessions. I'm not doing that. Any thoughts on Sol? I read that Kevin Smith was utilizing it. Brick. Marco, my dude. The guy draws descending triangles, immediately says it's going to make its way up. I don't think it's going to make its way up. It's double bottoming and it's oversold. And that's not a descending triangle. Do you want to know what a descending triangle is? A descending triangle is when it's actually doing... this guy doesn't know what a descending triangle is. Whatever, man. I'll turn you into a believer. Tay912, give me your next coin. I'll go over it. Watch this. Give me your next coin, bro. Give me your next coin. I'll go over it. Instead of hating on him, I won't even get mad. I can't get trolled out today. It's impossible. Show me your next coin, man. If you don't believe me. And show me your TA. Let me see your website with your TA. I'd love to see it. And let me see your bank account too. And let me see how many wins you have. And let me see how many people you've turned into 100,000-aires. Because I've turned like 10 or 20 people into people that were worth well over 100 grand. So friends of mine are worth 100 grand more because of me. So anyway, I don't have to prove myself. It is what it is. But he's somewhat right. And honestly, it's not a descending triangle. It's actually a falling wedge. Let's be dead honest. That had a fake out right there. So to me, it's a falling wedge. It's not even in this in a descending triangle, in my opinion. You know, a descending triangle, guys, is when the price is flat but hugging the top. You'll see. This isn't a descending triangle. So he doesn't even know what he's talking about. Big Space, Small Face, Risk Moon, awesome. Bro, you know you're mad when he's changing the subject. Bro, you know you're mad when he... I didn't do it. I don't care. Talk that ish, son. Big Face. Where do you see Nano after 1 month? Probably $22, $23 a coin. You know? Yeah. All right, guys, I'm out of here. It's 1 p.m. I can't believe we went this long. What's your prediction on win? Let's see who's right. Yeah, right. Don't worry, man. The guy's a weirdo. Anyone who spreads negativity has negativity in their heart. And people with negativity in their heart are actually collecting more negativity and attracting it to themselves. So we better off, ignoring him will get us less negativity. So he already started to spew his negativity into the group. Very sad. Let's show him love and respect, man, because that's what he needs. He's a lost soul. You're gonna do me like that on Cabusa? Yeah, probably, bro. Remember, I don't work for anybody, bro, but myself, man. I don't work for anyone but myself, man. Yep. I'll do it for you now, just to play with you. But that's how you know how my value is. Why don't you throw a super chat, bro? Crypto is life. Stay positive and life is good. It is. Why don't you throw me a super chat, man? You know, like, why don't you, like, pay it forward? You want a free, right? Nah, I know, all G. Thanks, Live. Crypto was live. Hit my email if interested in negotiating on that Honda. I'm never going to sell it to you for less than 2,600 ADA. So get your ADA up and we'll get the Honda going, but get your ADA up. Don't forget who makes me money. Thank you, Lever. Right. Thank you very much, bro. I appreciate that. I've made many people lots of money. I've done that. Have a prosperous day, man. Shout out to everyone, man. Higher frequency. Much love and respect to everyone here on the live stream. Let's take a look at Cabusa for my dude. I won't leave him hanging. Let's take a look at Dex Guru and look at Cabusa for you. Or even POOCOIN probably got it. Cabusu. I knew about this thing when it like first came out. No one even talked about it. It's got no market cap, bro. 54,000? Like, I'd stay away from this thing. Look at that. Make your money and run. Make your monies and run. If it's not a substantial project, look. If you weren't happy with 3,600% and you still wanted to hold on, damn, man. Damn. All right, guys, we'll be back tomorrow. We'll take a look at Bitcoin before we run out of here, just so I can get my mind at ease here. I have 46,000 ADA, so we can talk. I posted my email in the chat. Okay. This is pretty cool, man. I actually like this. I've been trying to sell this car for a long time. I posted my email in the chat. I don't think it will come up, though. It might not let you do it. Just hit me at Telegram, at CryptoLifer. At CryptoLifer. Hit me up on Telegram, man. And then I'll hit you up. Too bad, man. I knew it was the wrong coin, but I just didn't care. You know that? I knew it was the wrong coin. Because I know it had way more volume than that. But look, the chart looks just like that coin, so it's kind of the same idea. You know? That's funny, man. I try to get away with it like, whatever. But look, this thing looks like it will coil up and continue to the upside. Oh yeah, if you have to be like on the price. That was a glitch. Break to the upside, man, for show. Bam. Bam. Lifer, how can you use the volume profile in TA? Well, how you use the volume is falling volume with falling price tells you that there should be a reversal. So whenever you see the price falling down hard as well as the volume, Because think about it, people are selling. So if less people are doing stuff while it's going down, then it's probably going to have to turn into buyers, right? POOCOIN at 1072, probably a good investment to buy POOCOIN, man. I'm just being honest. PancakeSwap won't let me get CATE. Slippage you used? I can't remember. I did it on my phone. And look, we lost it all on Triton. Damn it. Damn it. And then we go back, we'll probably see a bunch of coins that are up now in the last 5 minutes. We should have done new SAFEMOON and made 700% in 10 minutes. Look, in 30 minutes, 10,000% gains. Kuma Inu. Angry Gorilla. Token events? What does that mean? Owner? So these are coming out? These are going to come out soon? What's a token event? Pythia. PancakeSwap is not easy, bro. It's playing games today really hard, you know? Really hard. Oh, did we lose 0.028? So we lost it all because that was 0.1, right? Unless I only bought 0.2. I wonder if it because I wonder if I ended up buying less. No, we lost 0.1 Bitcoin, BNB. That's how you lose money gambling, man. That's why I play the charts, bro. And then you make $105,000 in SafeMoon, and you don't care about anything else. You make what you used to make in a thing. All right, guys, I got to leave some off the table so you come back tomorrow. So Wax will have to do tomorrow, man, or later on, or, you know, maybe ask me in the chat. But thank you guys so much for being here. Much respect to everyone in the live stream. Trying to get through this crazy, crazy day, man. Bitcoin, man. Beating us down. Could that be the end of the love? Look, it usually double bottoms after it falls out of a falling wedge. So we'll see what happens. See what happens. So far, so good for Bitcoin. Holding 49,000. Got whipped off of 45 in the last on the daily. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. Bearish tones, though. Lower lows. Forming a downtrend for sure. So it's the only thing I didn't like when I looked at the daily. You know, this is technically forming a downtrend. Like, I can't lie to you guys. Look, it's a downtrend and tells me Bitcoin should keep coming down here until it's not. Forming a falling wedge. So we could get pretty bearish here now. I'm being honest with you. You know, could see Bitcoin back at 42K. Okay, we could have a little bit of a pullback here for the whole market. So need to get back to that Death Star. I feel you. I love that Death Star. I'm going to go rock that pink rosé, man. That pink rosé. Love you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day. It's not easy. Crypto's not easy. It's not for everybody. That's why we're here every single day. Much respect to everyone in the super chats. Much respect to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you guys for all the love. Thank you for all my Patreons. Thank you for all the awesome just support during these times, man. And I love you guys. Damn, 10K in 30 minutes. Sheesh. I'll hit you up on Telegram. Yeah, bear market. Crypto is life. We're going to say 1, 2, 3, crypto is life. And we get on out here, guys. Thank you so much for being crypto lifers, man. And we have the best community in the world. And we will strive to be the best every single day. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, crypto is life. And then we're going to get out of here. And I'll see you tomorrow at 9:30. 1, 2, 3, crypto is life. And I love you guys. And I'll see you on the next live stream. Crypto is life.